that this is very good and also has gem potential.
What's up, people, and welcome back to a new stream here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning into this amazing stream, guys. Damn it, what a day once again here. Bitcoin setting a new all-time high. I'm getting very excited. Guys, let me right away know how you feel here in the chat. I see everyone already saying good morning once again here. I see Tim saying good morning to this wonderful green day. And you're completely right, because yes, Bitcoin is setting a new all-time high, but Bitcoin is not the only one here. Because guys, if we look to CoinMarketCap, if we look at these coins, there are some insane gains being made today. So if you look to XRP sitting around $1.92 here, of course, Ethereum taking out once again more of Bitcoin. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin here in this run-up, what I did not was expecting here. So this is also showing us that the Bitcoin dominance is still falling, currently sitting around 53.6%. So it is absolutely cool what we're currently seeing also 88 blasting off to the upside. And yeah, I mean we have to talk about it, because it just pumped even more. So Dogecoin, guys, Dogecoin sitting around 13 cents, and it's even pumping more on this hour. So I was witnessing once it was pumping 50% to the upside, but right now 80% pump to the upside, guys. This is of course pretty funny to see. Entered the top 10 once again. Dogecoin, what is 16 billion market cap. They are crushing it, and it feels very good. Just like Demo, aka Austin, also donated to the channel right away, and you're saying it feels good, man. And just what I was about to say here, it feels good that the days are once again green, guys. And this is a period that we have been anticipating. This is a period that we have been waiting for such a long period of time, guys. So we want to be very happy. We want to be enjoying every single moment of this period, what we right now can see here. I mean, seeing these green days here, I mean, it really feels like 2017 all over again. I feel a lot of excitement in myself. I know there are a lot of gains to be made here. You can see also crypto come up with 10%. But guys, in this live stream today, we will be discussing every single thing here. We will be going into the altcoins. We will be going into Bitcoin. And of course, way more things, what you are asking me as well. So first, let me go over to the trades that I'm currently in here, before really going deeply into Bitcoin. So this Bitcoin trade, we also opened this one together here on the stream. I have a 10K quantity take profit around the 65K here. But unfortunately, we did not hit that target. It was wick to the upside, but not really got filled here. But as you can see right now, currently 11.3K in profit with only a 3x initial. So that's, of course, beautiful to see here. I mean, I'm also in some more trades here. I mean, I'm also in this beautiful trade. Let me get it in front of me. Let me look at this other beautiful trade I'm currently running here. So this is also a beautiful trade I'm currently doing here. What you can see. Let me get it right in the screen here. You can see approximately 11k in profit on Bitcoin, and of course also on Litecoin and Aave. I am in some minor trades here, but just opened that. My Aave trade is just pretty new, but I will be riding that one also to new all-time highs. Litecoin, of course, we all opened that trade all together. So looking forward to where the trades are heading towards. But guys, we are, of course, just starting off the stream here. I think Bitcoin is just starting off its new rally to the upside. We will be making way more gains here. I mean, if we are going towards the 100k, it can go up in a very rapid pace. And, of course, the trades are going to go absolutely sky high, and I'm looking forward to it. So, P-Rick, right away, also donating to the channel. P-Rick, you're saying to me, hey, like your channel, your opinion for an entry on Bitcoin since we are in price discovery. So, let me go in Bitcoin because I want to be discussing Bitcoin first of all, guys. I like to discuss Bitcoin first before really going into depth of other coins. So what do I expect with Bitcoin? And I know a lot of people, because we are doing very good on these trades, a lot of people want to be entering Bitcoin. So first of all, I want to be saying I don't think that you can get a perfect entry right now because it looks like Bitcoin is getting pretty overextended. But previously, of course, we were talking about the symmetrical triangle pattern. We were talking about the retest, and this was, of course, a very good approach to open your long position. But that is always in hindsight for the people that haven't opened their position over there yet. You feel very gutted, and you want to be entering a trade right now. So what is a smart thing to do here? So let me first identify the one-day candles. Of course, on the 1 day, we are in an uptrend. We are setting higher highs, we are setting higher lows, and we are having a bearish divergence at the moment on the daily. So this is a thing what is making me feel a little bit concerning. I think we can be invalidating this bearish divergence today. So, of course, the momentum is definitely to the upside for Bitcoin. If I flip onto the MACD on the 4 hour, we are still we are of course still on an uptrend, but I do think we have to create more volatility to really continue the uptrend to the upside, because it looks like if we're not going to see more volatility to the upside getting created, that we're setting a lower high and we can be reversing the momentum. So let's see where this is heading towards. Hopefully we can be seeing this change very quickly. And let's see, by the way, I see the judge became the second month. He became another member the second month. So very cool that you are having the blue logo right now. Thank you for supporting the channel. You're saying I sent you a meme on Twitter. Please, the judge, remind me later on, because first I want to be looking at the technicals before going into the memes. And also, Nehem is asking me, will ADA break out? Give us an entry, please. So I know ADA has currently got a very exciting chart. We broke through the top side of resistance. I think we're definitely heading towards the $2 with the ADA. So guys, give me a moment before going into ADA, because yeah, I mean, you want to be getting an entry on Bitcoin. I don't think it's smart to get an entry on Bitcoin right now. And the reason why here is because you're overextended. You are sitting on you're sitting at all-time highs. And do you want to be entering your long position once you're sitting at all-time highs? No, you want to be entering your long positions on the retest. So the point here is, guys, never rush in trades, but please wait for a reversal, because there will be coming a reversal. We can't go up in a straight line, and if we're going to see a reversal for Bitcoin, this will be your position that you will be entering. But please, not rush into anything here. Don't feel the need that you always have to be in a trade, because yes, there is a very, very likelihood that Bitcoin is just going to take a moonshot towards the 70k or so, and that we're going to go way higher. But at the end of the day, I don't think it's a smart thing to do here. I don't think it's smart to accumulate your position right now. I don't think it's smart to rush into a position, because the chances of getting wrecked here are bigger than everything. And I see also people saying, I'm in short position, where should I have to do, what do I have to do right now? I mean, I should never short this trend. Never short this trend. If you're on a short, you're absolutely going to get wrecked here. Probably you're already riding it into the negative, but yes, we are having a bearish divergence right now on Bitcoin. So you can see prices are going higher, RSI is cooling off here, so basically we are having a bearish divergence. So that is, of course, pretty concerning, and that can be maybe pushing the price of Bitcoin a little bit lower. So let's see what it will be doing. But if we're going to see a reversal on the 1 hour, it will be a minor one, because it's only on the 1 hour. Because on the 4 hour, we are looking pretty healthy. We're not forming any bearish divergence. So for Bitcoin, I should not be looking to trade right now. We will be, of course, looking for more trades. And the point here is, I'm, of course, in these big trades, but I'm willing to add more to my position. But once doing it, I will be only doing it on a retest of previous resistance. What will be right now flipping into support. So please notice, never rush into anything. Don't get wrecked. And that is, of course, not a strategy on the channel. So let me look real quickly at ADA, because Nahan was asking me, do you have a good entry for me on ADA? And yes, guys, we were talking about ADA quite a long time already on the channel. So you can see here, we were looking at the ascending triangle here on the price section of Cardano, and you can see what we are currently having is absolutely insane, guys. We are smashing through the top side of resistance. We are setting a new all-time high for the price section of ADA. And guys, where will it be heading towards? Because I currently think, because we're right now seeing the 4 hourly candle close above it. I mean, Still 38 minutes away from closing the 4-hourly candle above it. But when do you want to be entering your position on A-Day? Because I do think we are probably going to see the volatility getting created to the upside. See the volatility getting created towards the $2. So let's see where it is heading towards. But first, if you want to be getting into this trade, you have to wait for this 4-hourly close. And because there's still probability that we're going to create a big wick on the top side, even though it's not likely at the moment. But guys, what we are currently having here is if we're going to see a correction here, if we're going to see a correction to this level, I mean, this is the level of the $1.45 here. That will be your target that you want to be entering A-Day. And this is, of course, heading towards the $2. A breakout of ascending triangle. Very big time frame. It is going to show us a lot of significance. So is it worth it to accumulate your position around to $1.46? Yes, in my opinion, it is. And will I be doing it myself as well? I do think I will. So if I will be seeing this 4-hourly close, guys, later on the stream, I think I will be opening it live on stream. So looking forward already to take some more trades, because in the end of the day, we are crushing the market altogether. These trades are absolutely going sky high. And just like the channel right now, guys, we are just 10 minutes live and already 800 of you guys tuned in here. And if you're just tuning into the stream, you know what to do here. You know that you have to smash up these likes, guys, because we are crushing it. And of course, it's so lovely to see. Make sure to spend this time right here, guys. Make sure to love the time. Make sure to look at the charts for a second. And you have to think, oh damn it, I'm right now living it. I'm right now exposed to crypto, and I'm going to see this gain. So if you're enjoying the gains, make sure to smash up the likes. That will be, of course, absolutely insane. But yeah, let's go into every single chart before you're talking about everything. So let me talk about Ethereum a bit. Because I think Ethereum is of course a very exciting chart. You have multiple things what you can see here. First is downward sloping resistance line, what we had broke through, had a retest, moved higher once again. And then we create another upward sloping resistance line. So you can see multiple rejections from this line. But since breaking through this line, we are creating insane volatility here. And you can see if we are measuring the breakout till where we are right now is approximately a 10% move to the upside. And that's, of course, an absolutely sick move here. Where it is heading towards, let me spot on to some extension levels, because guys, we are right now in price discovery for just like Ethereum, just like Bitcoin. It is absolutely cool to see. We are price discovery, so let's see where we're heading towards. So the major first resistance target is for me around the 2,518 US. And this is definitely a target that you, if you're an Ethereum trade, this is definitely a target that you can be taking some profits. I do think if you're reaching this target, we can see massive rejections. But if we're going to crash through it, of course, the next level is heading towards the 3,200. So guys, the prices can be increasing pretty significantly in a pretty fast pace. So make sure to keep an eye out on the chart, because also if you look to the Ethereum compared to if you look at Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, it is taking a gain once again to the upside. So it's looking particularly good here. We broke through this resistance line. Since breaking this resistance line, you can see it gained approximately 4% to Bitcoin. So we were, of course, already anticipating this one. You can be calling this a symmetrical triangle here, but I'd rather call this a descending triangle. So if you look at the descending triangle and you look at the price target, we almost reached the price target already, but I do think we are going to see some volatility getting created. So what do I expect for Ethereum for the coming hours? I think Ethereum will be taking some more territory back compared to Bitcoin, and definitely like you can see in this structure. Previously, once we were forming these structures, breaking through this level, you can see we were seeing an insane spike to the upside. So do I think we're going to do the same? Yes, the high likelihood is that we are going to do the same. And also, if I look to the daily candles, guys, on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, ascending broadening wedge here, I do think, like we were anticipating so long in the channel, guys, we were talking about these levels so long on the channel for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, because Ethereum compared to Bitcoin always moves in waves. So that's approximately a 65% gain here, and till the point where we're right now on, it's still approximately a 34% gain to the upside. So looking forward to it. Let's see where it is heading towards, guys. But yeah, definitely Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is even more bullish. I think we're going to create huge follow through here. So let's see where it is heading towards. But then if I look to the chat, guys, I see a lot of requests coming in here for XRP. I see Crypto Aram also tuning in here. You're asking me for crypto.com. But guys, we will be, of course, going into every single request. But first, let me read the donation from Amir, and I will be flipping on to the XRP chart. So, good morning, brother. Crypto to the moon, and the sun is shining. That's true. Can you take a look at Engine? I want to take a long. Thank you. So, let me look at Engine. After that, I will be going into Ripple. I will be going into a lot of coins, guys. So, make sure to be patient. I will be coming there anytime soon here. So what is Engine doing? Of course, setting recently once again a new all-time high. Pretty lovely to see. Breakout of this symmetrical triangle here. Faked out to the downside and then boosted back up to the upside. Of course, because Bitcoin is gaining, Engine is gaining a boost as well here. It's just, Bitcoin is just dragging the market along. So definitely lovely to see here. And if I also flip onto this, let me see. If I also flip onto the to the Fibonacci Extension levels because we are in price discovery, so it's very hard to spot levels of resistance that you can see here, exactly topping the 1.618 here, sitting around to $3.77. We got stopped out over here, we got multiple rejections, and since then we moved to the downside. So let's see what it is doing right now. It looks like if we're looking to the previous all-time high, it is not holding up at the moment. And maybe if we're looking to the candle closes of the 4-hour, you can see it's still it might a bit holding up. So I would like to see that we are bouncing from off this level. We are already not holding up in the Fibonacci chart, but I do think that we can be seeing a bounce to the upside. Can it create previous all-time high? Usually give you very good opportunities to take a bounce and very good opportunities to open a long position. So you're asking me when should I open in my long position on Engine. I do think if I look to the chart right now, you're having a retest of the previous all-time high, and this red candle can be creating a big wick on the lower sides here. Of course, still 32 minutes, but I do think this is a very good price to accumulate your long position. Maybe if you really want to take it safe, the $2.84 is your entry target, but right now already having a retest of the previous all-time high. Do think that the bounce is pretty imminent, so let's see what it will be doing. Hopefully it can be gaining a little bit back to the upside, but you can see previous as well. The previous all-time highs usually flip into support, so definitely lovely to see. I think Engine can be moving up quite a bit. So yeah, entering right here at the exact moment where we are currently sitting around. So $2.93 here is definitely not a bad entry in my opinion, and especially because the altcoins are gaining so quickly. We are seeing, it looks like alt season is here, guys, and the gains are still to be made here, and I think Engine is definitely a coin that will be giving you very good returns. So I see Nehem once again asking me, I entered ADA long at $1.50, and right now I'm up 10%. Should I get out and wait for the retest of the $1.45? So, and what is a good stop loss? So give me a second, we'll be going into XRP, because I see a lot of people talk about XRP. And I think $1.50 is pretty an ambitious entry price. I mean, yeah, it's definitely a good thing to do, but I mean, I don't think that we're going to stay long above that level. I don't think that we're going to stay long above that level because it's pretty high entry price. I think you entered at a pretty high place, and I do still think it's very likely to see a correction, because look at the previous price action of ADA, and I don't think it's a good entry, and the reason why here is because ADA usually have big spikes to the upside, and after that a big correction. So can be the same. There's still a high likelihood that you're going to see the same. So if you're entering over here, your stop loss has also to be very tight. In my opinion, only a maximum 2% loss that you can be affording. Let's say what your strategy can be here for entering over here is maybe a very low leverage trade and only adding more and more if you're going to drop off. But this is already the $1.45 is definitely a good entry target, and I don't think the $1.50 is a very good target to enter the price in my opinion. So let me go into XRP, guys. I see a lot of requests right away coming in here, but first I will be talking about XRP because XRP is absolutely blasting off to the upside. We are clearing all kinds of levels of resistance, guys, and as you can see, once again, the Fibonacci chart is showing so much significance, and everyone who is right now doing an insane job here with this trade, because we were anticipating this trade, of course, on the channel altogether. This approximately already a move of 400%, sorry, 200% to the upside. 220%. So yes, this trade is absolutely crushing it. Do I think that XRPs will be going higher? Yes, I do think so. Of course, we are already at some take profit areas, but I think we can be seeing another leg up getting created towards the $3. Maybe first, of course, first we have to head towards the $2. $2.09 is major resistance. So can we smash through this level? Would be, of course, very lovely to see. And if we're smashing through this level, we have to see a 4-hourly close above this level, and then see the exact same like we said, what we are seeing right now with this previous level. So you can see the significance in this chart, and I think this Fibonacci is perfectly true. As you can see over here, it is showing so much significance. Here, previous resistance flipping into support, previous resistance flipping into support. Once again, and we were talking about these levels so long on the channel, yesterday as well on the stream. I was telling everyone, the $1.71 is your entry target. And you can see here, big wicks getting created on the lower side, and after that we create the volatile. And still, from that point, you're seeing approximately a 12% gain. So that's, of course, very nice to see. Are we heading towards $2? Yes, I definitely think so. $2.09 is the level that we have to be breaking here. If we're going to break through that level, that will be, of course, very exciting. Definitely think that we can be creating more volatile if we're going to see that breakthrough of that level. For hourly close above, maybe a retest of the lower side, previous resistance flipping into support. This is definitely a good structure that I'm anticipating right now for the price section of XRP. So, am I still anticipating a $3 for XRP? Yes. Will it be here? Yes, I do think the last leg, I mean, we're already going pretty parabolic, but I think these last legs can go even further and faster to the upside. So make sure to get prepared. Make sure to also set your take profit, because we can be heading towards the top side and also correct very quickly. So if you're on a trade, $3 is definitely a take profit area, and don't get too greedy. That's my tip here. Don't get too greedy, because if you're getting too greedy, you're absolutely getting wrecked, guys. And that's, of course, not a thing that I want to do. So I already set my $3 price target and take profit already over here. So I will be definitely taking some good profits once reaching the $3. Of course, looking forward to see where this is heading. So, JV Shemel, I don't know if you're pronouncing your name correctly, but thank you so much for your support of the nation. You're asking me, can you look at the price section of Polkadot? So, let me look at the price section of Polkadot and see also some other donations coming in here from Payan. You're asking me if I can look at the Tezos chart. So I will be also going into the Tezos chart in a second. Give me a moment. But first, as you can see here, Polkadot, very exciting chart, guys. What you can see here, downsloping resist line, flipping it into support, and after that, we are seeing the volumes we're getting created. So before I'm going into the Polkadot compared to US dollar chart, let me go into the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin chart. So what are we currently seeing with this one? And like I told you before, I am expecting that Polkadot will be curving back to the upside. Also having right now a previous resistance line flipping into support. As you can see, daily close is providing the support currently. So that's of course very exciting to see. We'll be setting up this line over here, as you can see. This is a daily support that we are looking at, and daily support is still providing very good support. So I do think that we're probably going to curve back to the upside. But yeah, what you can see here, previously we corrected very quickly. We moved to the upside. Once getting rejected by the previous all-time high, we got a minor move to the downside, and after that we crashed through. So I do think alt season is here. And also, if you look to Polkadot, you can see it's right now decreasing in valuation compared to Bitcoin, but I will think and I will expect that it will be bouncing back to the upside, especially because we're finding support at the daily support level. And I do think if we're going to curve back to the upside, if we're going to smash through this all-time high here, we're definitely going to see huge falls getting created. And of course, already this move to the all-time high is 60% compared to Bitcoin, so it's looking particularly good here. Right now sitting around $44. I think it's a very good time to enter your Polkadot trades right now. I do think that Polkadot is a sleeping giant here, and if you want to be accumulating your positions, right now is definitely the time here. Of course, we still have some resistance ahead of us, and I do also think that we're going to create a bearish divergence once going higher. So, yes, we are having a lower high getting created in the RSI once we're probably going to set a new all-time high. So there are some things that are a little bit concerning right now if you look at the Polkadot chart, but in general, it's looking particularly good. So also if I flip on the MACD and I look at the daily candles, guys, the momentum was still shifting to the downside. To be really honest, the momentum was still going to the downside, but recently we broke the momentum to the downside and we are starting a new uptrend. So we're setting a higher high than the previous high in the momentum. So it looks like the momentum is picking up once again and that we can be continuing higher. And also we created a higher low here. You can see here we stopped out, and right now it looks like that on the daily candles we are reversing the momentum. And also we have this bullish crossover still here. We're still very bullish on the MACD if you look to the price chart of Polkadot. Also if I flip on to the EMA ribbon, guys, you can see on the daily candles, we're perfectly getting supported. We're clearly in an uptrend. We're not going to stop anytime soon here. And I think just like other coins are right now blasting off here, the price action of Polkadot will be definitely following. I do think that we can be seeing an 80k Polkadot, $80 Polkadot very rapid. So make sure to get prepared. Make sure to get your seatbelts on here. And just like other coins are right now exploding, guys, I mean, coins like Dogecoin, or let's say some other coins, they are right now exponentially growing, but they will be cooling off. And once they are cooling off, the money will be flowing into, let's say, coins like Polkadot. Uniswap can also still gain a lot, in my opinion. And of course, also all kinds of DeFi projects. So looking forward to it. I do think that Polkadot is here to gain some very good momentum anytime soon here. So I see a lot of people talking about Dogecoin, and guys, we love Dogecoin. It's absolutely sick to see Matthias van Tol also in the chat. It's very cool that you are tuning in here as well. So let me look at the different requests, because I think we're getting a lot of requests right now in the chat. So let me go into it. And Textile is right now asking me the Tron and BNB chart. But I will be going into BNB because there are so many requests and also a lot of things that I want to be discussing here. So I will be discussing BNB price action for you. So what do I expect for BNB? Having a stealth run up here, and I will be setting up. I have this Fibonacci currently where I'm looking at, and if I look to the Fibonacci, as you can see over here, we topped out here at the top side, and right now we were finding support at the lower side of the 0.236 here. So 0.236, very good entry target. But I mean, if you really want to be entering the price section of BNB, I think it's pretty overextended. The golden pocket entry will be your best entry in my opinion. So the 0.382 here, and it's approximately sitting right to $480 is your best entry target in my opinion. So let's see if we're going to reach that anytime soon here, because once we're reaching that level, I think it will be a very good entry target. And if you're entering over there, you're going to probably make very good gains. So maybe there's still a possibility that we're going to move down here because it is getting pretty overextended. If I look to the 4-hour RSI, if I also look to the 4-hour MACD, it looks like the trend is right now reversed to the downside. Like here you can see previously on the 4-hour, we're setting higher lows, higher highs. So the momentum was basically to the upside. Here you can already see here bearish crossover from the 4-hour on the price section of BNB. We're setting a lower high. So for me, it looks like the BNB momentum is shifting to the downside, and it's more likely to see a downwards momentum period getting started. Also, if you just purely look to the chart, and if you identify the market structure, you can see here it is moving up in a rapid pace. It's going parabolic, and after a parabolic run up, you can usually see that the coin is reversing or seeing some consolidation or having a reversal. So I do think consolidation is also very likely to play out for BNB, but I don't think that we're necessarily going to go below the $4, $480. I think that's a very good entry target. Also the golden pocket entry, guys. Looking forward to get filled on that level, but yeah, very exciting times here. So also, thing that I quickly want to ask you guys, because I see we're currently watching with 1,300 people, guys. Can we be smashing up the likes? Would be, of course, very amazing, because then we are pushing this content to more and more people. And we, on the channel here, we are trying to get as many people exposed to crypto. We're trying to educate every single one here on the channel. So if you're interested in this channel, make sure to smash up these likes, guys. Would be, of course, very amazing, because hitting that like button is completely free and you're supporting the channel. That will be, of course, very amazing. So I mean, it's always hitting that like button is only taking a few seconds of your time. So guys, are you willing to take a few seconds of your time to crush the market altogether? Would be amazing. So Carlos also asking the channel, can you check Dogecoin? I'm down 800. Will it go back up here? So man, guys, you only want to be buying Dogecoin if you're willing to coin flip. So I mean, I like Dogecoin because I just like the community. But you only want to be buying Dogecoin if you are if you are willing to do a coin flip. Don't buy it at these highs, guys. Never buy a coin. Was this pumping 80% in a day? Never buy it. I know it already. A lot of mistakes you can see here. 100% in just a matter of a few days here. I mean, 2 days, approximately a few hours, as you can see over here. In a matter of 20 hours, we're pumped to 92%. So is it smart to buy into it? No. Is it smart to buy it an all-time high? No, never. So will it go back up here? I don't think it's likely because I do see the price action of Dogecoin also cooling off here, creating a huge bearish divergence on the daily. I mean, the technicals are creating a huge bearish divergence on the weekly as well. Usually the technicals are not really working that significantly on the price action of Dogecoin because it pumps out of nowhere. And this pump was quite funny because Elon Musk did not even tweet about it. So we don't really see the significance why it is pumping. But I mean, yeah, it is quite funny here. Definitely, if you're holding it for the long run, yes, you will be crushing for the all-time high. It really depends on what time frame you're talking about. But do I think that if you're buying into Dogecoin right now that you're going to make the most amount of gains in this coming bull run? No, definitely, you're not going to make the most amount of gains. So do I love Dogecoin? Yes, I do think it's kind of funny, but it's not smart to buy at these highs, guys. Please wait for a correction at least. It can be a high probability that we're going to do something like this here. Huge spike to the upside, correction, and then after that, another huge spike to the upside. So let's see what we're going to do, but it is getting pretty overextended. Please be careful. Never rush into coins. Never FOMO into coins, and make sure to do your research before buying into it because, yeah, you're buying at an all-time high, and it's not a smart thing to do in my opinion. So Bayhan also donating to the channel. Sorry, I completely forgot your request. I'm so sorry. You're asking me once again, can you please check thesis long term? I completely forgot it. I mean, there are so many things on my head right now. So I'm so truly sorry, my friend. Let me check it right away. Excuse me. So what are we currently having for the price section of thesis? I already set up this Fibonacci, by the way. I think this Fibonacci is right away going to show us the significance. So you can see over here, Fibonacci set up here, and it's looking particularly interesting because you can see, if I just remove the Fibonacci, by the way, you can see previous all-time high flipping into support. Definitely lovely to see here. Previous all-time high once again acting as resistance, but since breaking above this level, having a retest, and we moved higher. So that's of course lovely to see. But the only part that is pretty unfortunate is that you're setting lower highs in the RSI. So it looks to be, if I get away from with my head, you can see the 4-hourly RSI, the momentum is cooling off in the 4-hour. Are we still going to see a move to the upside getting created? I do think it's likely to see a move to the upside getting created, especially these altcoins are looking very bullish. So, yeah, let's see what it is heading towards. But, yeah, it is creating bearish divergence. So maybe this is giving already the signal that we're going to reverse anytime soon here. But, yeah, what you also have with this chart here, as you can see, you have an upward sloping support line. You are having a trend that is basically to the upside. You have also an upward sloping resist line. So are we maybe trading in a parabolic, in a parallel channel? It looks to be. So maybe we're bouncing between these levels anytime soon here. Do think this the chart is good, and you're asking me for the long term. So let me identify as well what the long term trend is, because in the end of the day, you want to be making gains. And I think if you want to be making good gains, you want to be looking at the long term. So first of all, daily candles right now forming a bearish divergence as well. Prices are going higher. RSI is going lower. So basically, we're seeing the buying strength is losing here. But still, just like Bitcoin is doing it, I still think that we will be moving up, even though that we are having a bearish divergence on the daily. So daily MACD still looks very good here. We are getting pretty overextended. But yes, we are still in an uptrend. You can't ignore that. It looks to be, if I be really honest with you, it looks to be that we are in a downtrend right now. Even though we are in a downtrend in the momentum, but the prices are still going higher. So what is this telling me? I do think that this is right now telling me that we're maybe going to see some kind of a correction, because it looks to be pretty overextended thesis right now. So that's the thing that I want to be saying here. But if you, I mean, I just want to be raising awareness, because I'm not saying that it's not going to go to new all-time highs, but it looks to be that the momentum is cooling off here. The momentum to the upside is cooling off. It's getting more and more standing pressure. So please be careful. I don't think that it will be, if I purely look to this chart, I don't think that it will be going higher. But of course, because Bitcoin is moving up, because Ethereum is moving up, it can be dragging these altcoins along here. So that is the reason why it's very hard to do your TA in a bull run, because yeah, I'm seeing here that we're probably going to reverse, because my TA head, my personal opinion right now will be telling me it will be correcting, because it is losing its strength. But if you just purely look at the situation where we are currently in here, it will be probably even going higher and higher, because yes, Bitcoin is dragging the market along, and thesis will be not standing behind here. It will be definitely following. So that is the reason why I still think it will be going up. But if you purely look at the chart, and if Bitcoin is really going to freak out here, I think, yeah, thesis will be definitely falling very quickly. So please be careful. So I see also the real Knight Rider donating to the channel once again, €2, and you're saying Bitcoin to the moon. That is absolutely cool. And the judge is also saying, yeah, currently we're seeing Dogecoin sitting around P10 on coin market cap. So that's absolutely cool. It's a large cap right now, and that's completely true. Dogecoin is officially a large cap. It currently has $15 billion in sorry, 16 billion. I said 15. It's even $16 billion in market capitalization. 64%, 76% to the upside today, 105% this whole week. So guys, Dogecoin is officially a coin in the top 10. And do I think Dogecoin will be always around here in the top 20 at least? Yes, I do think so. So are I'm going to hold my Dogecoin for 20 years? Yes, why not? Because maybe one day, guys, you never know it, but maybe one day you can be buying your Tesla with Dogecoin. So would it be funny? Of course, it would be amazing funny. So I think Dogecoin is a funny coin to hold. I'm more buying it as a coin flip. I don't think I did not bought it because of I believe in the fundamental worth or so, because it has zero fundamental worth. I'm more exposed to Dogecoin because I just want to be a part of the cryptocurrency community, and I want to be a part of the revolution. And that is the reason why I'm exposed to it. I mean, yeah, you can see it's going absolutely parabolic, so it's pretty funny to see. But buying at the top, please be careful. Don't do it. I don't think it's smart to buy Dogecoin right now. So, and him also asking me, got out of ADA, need your opinion on Litecoin right now. So, guys, let me flip it on to the Litecoin chart, because yes, I am still currently in my Litecoin trade. I'm still in my Litecoin trade. You can see it is every single day showing more and more volatility to the upside. So it's definitely lovely to see. Are we going to see more volatility? Will be, of course, very amazing to see if we're going to go even higher. And guys, I see a lot of requests right now coming in by the super chat. So Alexander will be going into VRH in a second. But we are having so many requests. So I'm trying to answer every single question, of course. I want to also be looking at the chat. And I see a lot of people also talking about Litecoin. So that's the reason why we'll be discussing Litecoin very quickly. So guys, what we are currently having here is symmetrical triangle, perfectly good formed, and we were taking the trades here on the channel. If I look to my current Litecoin trade, it's approximately 313% to the upside, so it's absolutely rocking it right now. So looking forward to see where it is heading towards. But as you can see here, perfect retest of the previous resistance line, flipping into support, and we on the channel all took the trade here. So a lot of people are right now in very good profits, I know, already on the channel. So it's definitely lovely to see. Where do I expect Litecoin to go towards? And you're asking me, should I be taking my profits on Litecoin right now? I don't think so. And the reason why here is because my price target is still sitting around the $304. And I don't think that we're going to reverse to the downside. I even think that we're going to see more volatility getting created. And the reason why here is because, guys, we are extremely close with breaking out on the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin chart. And this chart is absolutely going to spell very exciting things here, guys. If we're going to see a breakout in this chart, we are absolutely going for a 1500% surge to the upside compared to Bitcoin. Is this very bullish for Litecoin? Yes, it is extremely bullish. And do I expect Litecoin to break out to the upside? Yes, I do think so. So let's see where it is heading towards. But I think Litecoin is definitely heading for a moonshot, guys. I feel very excited about it because the daily candles, of course, what really matters for me right now. If we're going to close the daily candle above this line, this will be extremely bullish, and it looks to be that we're right now finally finding back above this level. So if we're going to see a daily close above this level, guys, the coming days, the coming weeks will be very exciting for the price section of Litecoin. So maybe I will be not even going 100% out of my trade once reaching this level. So as you can see right now on the screen here, this trade is approximately right now 300% profit. I took a very minor trade, to be honest. I could have took it a little bit bigger, but I was trying to play it very, very conservative. I mean, my 8th trade will be probably doing it also very good. So looking forward to the trades where it is heading towards. But yeah, definitely I will be riding my Litecoin trade even higher. I definitely think it can go easily towards the $304 US. But after that level, if we're also going to see the breakout in the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin chart, guys, this will be really spelling the insane gains. So looking forward to where Litecoin is heading towards. And guys, by the way, quickly want to ask one thing. Quickly want to ask it once again, guys. We are insanely crushing it right now. We are currently watching with 1.4k viewers, and we're only having 300 likes. Guys, can we be smashing up this video to 500 likes? We're currently 34 minutes in the stream, but can we already smash up the likes to 500 likes before being 1 hour in the stream? That will be absolutely insane for me. It will be meaning a lot for me. It's also very motivating. And I mean, hitting that like button for you guys only takes 5 seconds of your time. It's completely free, and it's definitely worth it because it's really motivating. And make sure to do so because then you're so supportive. So Litecoin looks extremely bullish, so then let me go into VRA for my friend Alexander Marks. So Alexander Marks, what do we have for this coin? It is absolutely going sky high. It looks like it's going parabolic, but you also can see the RSI in the daily is cooling off here. So you're setting lower highs, higher highs in the price chart. This is basically the Bitcoin chart, but then on this coin. So in my opinion, this coin looks to be reversing to the downside. The momentum is cooling off here. It's definitely not looking extremely bullish in my opinion. But you can see here, parabolic run up here looks to be ending in my opinion. You're creating huge bearish divergences. But at the moment, you're creating a bullish divergence. So you're setting a lower high in the RSI, higher high in the price chart. This is, of course, identifying that you're having a bullish divergence. So what can be happening right now? I do think that you can be seeing a move to the upside getting created. So looking forward to see where it is heading towards. But yeah, bullish divergence, of course, right now playing out on this coin. So that is the reason why I do expect this this price action can be moving higher. And especially, like I told you before, on other coins as well, we are currently in an uptrend. And because Bitcoin is going higher, it's basically going to drag the market along it. And once Bitcoin is dragging the market, all these other altcoins will be just following Bitcoin. So do I feel very excited? Yes, I do feel very excited in the cryptocurrency space in general. So do I expect this coin will be moving higher? Yes, I do think so. Creating a bullish divergence right now, even though they were creating bearish divergence on the top, I definitely think this coin will be still moving higher. So let's see what this is heading towards. It's still in an uptrend, setting higher lows each and every time. So you're creating a low once again right now. So are we going to bounce? Will be, of course, very imminent for me. Also trading on the support line, bullish divergence coming together. I do think that we will be moving up. So let's see what it will be doing. So let me see. I see a lot of requests coming in here. Link, please. First, I will be going into Chainlink in a second. Let me see. What about OXT? So let me go into OXT here. Do you want me to check OXT? Guys, we'll be going into more coins. Give me a second. I see so many people talking about all different kinds of coins. And there are so many things that I want to be discussing. So we're currently live for 36 minutes, but you can't really expect a way longer live stream from me today. I have a lot of time today, so definitely, guys, we have a lot of things to discuss. So we will be not stopping anytime soon here. Looking forward to it, where we are heading towards. So first of all, upward sloping resistance line getting formed. Maybe in the future we can be getting rejected by this level. So let's see where it is heading towards. Also, in the immediate short term, you're creating a very nice uptrend here. You're creating this uptrend over here. Not the most beautiful one, to be honest. But let me remove all the charts here. And if I just purely look at this Fibonacci chart, you can see the top side is getting rejected over here, but the lower sides are not really showing the significance. And if I also flip onto the MACD here and maybe identify the trend real quickly on the 4 hour. So it looks to be that the trend is right now still basing at the immediate short term, it looks like the trend is reversing because we're seeing a higher high and higher low getting created. And right now it looks to be curving once again back to the upside. So let's see what it's heading towards. Hopefully we can create some more volatility. But if we are going to see this spike even lower, yeah, of course we will be bearish. But I do think momentum will be shifting to the upside because it looks like the momentum is right now going up once again. So. Also, if I identify the trend on the 1 day, you can see still basically the upside, but MACD currently having a bearish crossover over here. This can be, of course, very bearish because the daily is right now on the MACD giving us a signal that we're going to see a sell-off. But yeah, the momentum is still basic to the upside. So maybe we can get a curve once again back to the upside and see these blue line once again cross the orange one to flip bullish once again on the daily. But yes, I definitely don't feel bearish yet on this coin. But you can see also, just like the other coins, creating bearish divergence, setting lower highs in the RSI, setting higher highs in the price chart, so giving us a signal of bearish divergences. So you want to get careful here. It can be getting, it is currently overextended, so it can be reversing very quickly. You want to be careful. You want to be, yeah, you don't want to be getting wrecked here. And if you're buying into right now, I don't think it's a smart thing to do because, yes, you're buying at the top. But, yeah, you're basically buying an uptrend. You can see clear uptrend getting created. Looks to be going parabolic on the daily. So there's a high probability that we're going to create an even higher leg to the upside. But in general, it's getting pretty overextended. But Bitcoin is the coin that is right now dragging these coins along it with the current chart. So please be careful. It looks pretty overextended. It looks like the buying strength is cooling off here, but maybe it can be identifying some more momentum to the upside. So I see a lot of people talking about Ethereum. Did I miss any super chat? Let me quickly see. So I see 3-day Nick also asking me, you're saying, Chef, can you check data compared to Bitcoin? Greetings from Hilversum. So very cool that you're tuning in from Hilversum. Data compared to Bitcoin, you're asking me. So let me compare this one to Bitcoin. Does it look bullish? Does it look exciting? Let me quickly look at this, by the way. Let me quickly look at let me see. Let me set up a Fibonacci real quickly. Let me set up a Fibonacci. I think this is the lowest point, yes. So let me draw this one. Maybe we're seeing some levels of resistance getting formed here. So what are we currently seeing here with this coin? You can see what are we having right now? We are finally bouncing back to the upside. And what we currently see, we are breaking through this level that we previously got rejected by, the 0.786 here. You can see finally crush through of this level. And since seeing the crush through of this level, you can see we moved up to the 0.618. And the 0.618 was providing us resistance just like it did previously. But right now, we are finding support at the previous high. So this looks absolutely bullish for me. In my opinion, we're probably going to bounce back to the upside. And a lot of coins will be taking out some momentum compared to Bitcoin. So I do think, yeah, the momentum is right now on the daily also curving to the upside. Don't think it's over yet here. We are not getting overextended yet here, so it's looking particularly good. And if you also flip onto the MACD, probably it's giving me the same thoughts here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, right now the MACD on the daily is right now flipping bearish. So that's pretty unfortunate to see. The MACD is flipping bearish on the daily, so maybe we're going to see a reversal getting created here. And if I flip onto the EMA ribbon real quickly, what you can see right now, getting support by the EMA ribbon. Let's see if we can create a bounce to the upside. I do think EMA ribbon come together on the daily. The 0.786 in the Fibonacci, I do think we can be getting a bounce anytime soon here. I feel very excited about this chart. Is of course compared to Bitcoin. So let's see what it is heading towards. But first, right now, guys, I will be going into the price section of Ethereum real quickly. We'll be going into VeChain as well here because I see a lot of people talking about VeChain, and I know VeChain is performing very goodly because it's right now sitting around P18 and it's not looking to stop here, guys. We were of course anticipating VeChain around 15 cents here, and I do 15 cents, sorry. 10 cents, but I do think it's pretty overextended right now. Like I already told you guys, I see a lot of people talking about VeChain, so give me a second. We'll be going into VeChain in a second. Probably is highly anticipated on the channel, so I know a lot of people are very excited by VeChain, and it's a pretty good project. So I truly think that VeChain can be sitting in the top 10 anytime soon here. It's definitely a very promising project, and I think it can be maybe taking out the likes of Litecoin or Dogecoin. So very excited what VeChain will be doing, even though I still think it's already pretty overextended. It can be maybe searching even higher. Of course, we are in a bull market and everything is possible for Bitcoin. So Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation still moving up higher. You can see Ethereum also gaining more and more. But guys, maybe we're going to see another new all-time high getting created live in the stream. But first, let me flip onto the I see a lot of people talk about XRP in the chat once again. So, guys, there's so much excitement going on here, and I do have some reasons why Bitcoin is right now surging, and the other altcoins as well. So, let me go in my reasons in a second. But, guys, look at this significance. Look at the VeChain chart. This is right now currently the VeChain chart that we're looking at, and look at the significance. We got rejected multiple times here. We got rejected twice here at the top side, and we extended this support target, and you can see here, move to the upside, having a retest of the previous resistance, flipping into support. We created follow through, and what you want to be seeing is another retest, a clear breakout, clear retest, and that is your accumulation level. So accumulated some ADA, some VeChain around to 12 cents here, and you can see the move to the upside was approximately 40%, 31%, 33%. I mean, so it's absolutely sick to see here. VeChain once again bouncing back to the upside. I don't think it's over anytime soon here, so looking forward to it. Let's see what it's heading towards, but I feel definitely very excited about the price action of VeChain, guys. Heading towards new all-time highs. Are we going to stop? I don't think that we necessarily have to stop anytime soon here, but if you look to the daily candles, guys, it is forming a bearish divergence right now, but I do think if we're going to see a little bit of a higher high getting created, we are already invalidating that one. So It is, of course, looking particularly good here. And you can see on the daily MACD, it's absolutely bullish here. I can't flip bearish on VeChain right now, guys. At the moment, of course, it's getting pretty overextended. But at the moment, we are also still in bullish territory. So can it go higher? Yes, of course. It's not looking to stop anytime soon here. Momentum is still basically to the upside. It doesn't look that we're over yet here. So we can even create more volatility, in my opinion. Let's see where it is heading towards. But first, I will be giving you my quick thoughts about why Bitcoin is really pumping that significantly today. So I do think the Bitcoin price is pumping so quickly here, as you can see as well here in the dollar index. So we were seeing an insane run up in the dollar index because there was a lot of favor turning in this chart. So right now you can see a big correction playing out here. It's not holding on to the support levels. It's falling and falling. And because the dollar index is falling, we can see the cryptocurrency space in general is gaining more and more. So this is also really helping the market right now because yes, the dollar index is one of the biggest enemies of Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency space. So because it's currently falling, this is definitely helping the prices to push it a little bit higher. So Matthew, also donated to the channel, you're saying Forger, check the token of Forger. So how is Forger performing right now? Let me quickly look at this chart. So hopefully it is... hopefully it's performing very good. Yeah, it's approximately 4% in the upside. And I mean, I really like this project. I really like these projects because especially these projects will be doing very good in the bear market. So can you be buying into it right now? Yes, I do think so because you're buying a very cheap coin. So in the end of the bull run, I think these coins like Forger and UDEP, etc., these will be performing very good. So let me go into the chart of Forger. I definitely feel very excited about it. Unfortunately, I can only compare it to Wrapped Ether, so it's very hard to give my analysis on it on the US dollar chart. So that's a thing that I don't like to do. But I do think if I just purely look at the project, I think it will be performing very good. And I do think that we're going to see a new Altcoin getting created anytime soon here. But usually, I do think this project, especially towards the end of the bull run, I think these coins like Voyager, like BNB as well, and Crypto.com. And yeah, like UDEP, I mean, I think these projects will be performing very good here. It's already 100% the circulating supply. So we'll be going back to these lows? No, I never think so. So a very exciting project and definitely worth to get exposed to. Make sure to do your own research. And I mean, there are a lot of comparisons. You have Swissberg, you have UDEP, etc. So a lot of projects that you can be buying into. But yeah, very excited. So Crypto, please put the chat in slow-mo. So let me do... let me do that. That's a very good one. Let me put the chat in slow-mo. Let me give me a second. I will be setting it on 5 seconds or 6 seconds, so we can't spam in the chat or so. So let me know. I think this is better. So also Demo once again donating to the channel. Did I miss file coverage? I went for a coffee. So no, you did not miss it, but let me go into Filecoin once again here. Hopefully, we're going to see an insane breakout because I feel very excited once I'm looking to the price section of Filecoin, guys. Once I'm looking to the chart, I do think that we're going to see an insane breakout anytime soon here. And my reason to say this is because we're having a very, very, very nice... Crypto, you missed the super chat from EOS, buddy. So let me go into EOS in a second. So... what you have for the Filecoin price section, guys, is you can see symmetrical triangle, very beautiful getting created. And the lovely part about this is that we are having a continuation pattern. We are having a bullish momentum to the upside, and after that bullish momentum, we're consolidating. And of course, symmetrical triangles are very bullish bias consolidations. So do I think that we're going to create the uptrend once again? Yes, I do think so. I do think that we will be moving higher. And the reason to believe that is because, yes, we are in a bull market. Yes, Bitcoin is growing exponentially. Yes, Bitcoin will be dragging the coins along it. So will it be also affecting the price section of Filecoin? Yes, I do think so. I do think the breakout to the upside is more likely. And if you're going to see a breakout to the upside, guys, this will be already a pretty significant surge to the upside. Can be pushing the price towards the $260 US. So definitely feel very excited about it. And also have my coffee over here. So guys, if you are enjoying your coffee as well, make sure to smash up the likes. It will be amazing because... I think, yeah, we're going to see a very exciting day. So I need some coffee because we're just starting off the stream, of course. And I mean, we're already 50 minutes in the stream, so we're absolutely crushing it already. So for the price section of Filecoin, I definitely think that we're going to see a breakout. So let's see what it will be doing. If we're seeing a breakout to the downside, of course, you want to be getting careful. But I should never short this one. Even though if you're going to see a confirmation to the downside, I would never short this because I don't think that we're going to see the significance if you're going to short it. So, I mean, I'm never shorting against the trend. The trend is to the upside. The trend is your friend till it ends. And it looks like the trend is not ending yet there. So it's definitely worth to check this one out. So, let me see. I missed a super chat, but first I see Nehem also asking the channel, 4 hourly close on A-Day, any change on your entry? So let me look at A-Day. Any change on your entries? I mean, the entry will be still the same here. So the 4 hourly close, of course, we just opened. I mean, it was exactly 1 second ago. So new 4 hourly candle, guys. What are we going to see? There is a very there is a big likelihood that we're of course going to just create more volatility. But my point that I do want to be making here, is that worth the risk to enter around to $1.50? No, it's not worth the risk in my opinion. That is of course also not my strategy what I'm doing. So what you really want to be doing here is set maybe a limit order amount to $1.46 here. I think the $1.46 is definitely a good entry target. So if you took some profits here on the trade, you're still doing a good job here. But I mean, it's not the best entry price, and that's the reason why I should be staying away from it if you want to be entering about $1.50. So let's see what this will be doing. It right now looks to be having a lot of sell pressure. So also for new 4-hourly close for every single coin here. So let's see what we're going to do with this next 4-hourly. Are we going to see more volume getting created, guys? Let me know right away in the chat. Do you think that we're going to create a new all-time high with this new 4-hourly candle, or are we going to create a correction? I'm getting very excited what you guys think about it. But let's see what ADA will be doing, guys. Hopefully it can gain some territorium. So very exciting. And the thing that I want to be saying, guys, we are currently only 3 subscribers away, even 2 subscribers away right now. Maybe it's already updated, but guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, it would be amazing if you can do it right now. Very close with reaching the 31.9k here, and I see we're currently having 1,600 viewers, guys. If you want to be a part of these streams, we are doing this every single day here, giving you guys all kinds of updates. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. It would be very amazing because it's completely free here, and why should you not be subscribed to this amazing channel? So let me see. I also missed a super chat about EOS. So let me go into price section of EOS. Maybe we are seeing something very interesting playing out for the price section of EOS. I see also some other coins coming in here. So what do we have for EOS? Do I feel very excited about EOS? Yes, I do think so. That I have to feel very excited about this coin because yeah, it is performing particularly good here. But yeah, like I told you also on the channel, I don't really like 2017 project. I don't think the best gains are to be made over there. If you bought in the bear market at least, because yeah. I mean, if you bought in 2018, you have a lot of more circulating supply around. It's harder to push up the price, so that's the reason why I'm not very excited about it. But yeah, let's see what it will be doing right now. Let me also set up a Fibonacci from this previous high over here to the previous low over here. And if I look to the chart, oh, this is not correctly drawn. This is not correctly. So if I look to the chart, you can see here previous resistance. We got rejected multiple times here, but since breaking above it, forming some kind of an ascending triangle, guys. And if I just purely look at the price targets of the ascending triangle, it looks like a beautiful triangle getting formed here. Ascending triangles, very bullish buy patterns, and I definitely think it's worth it to trade ascending triangles because they're usually continuation patterns as well. You can see just moving between these levels, and since having a breakout, of course, we are not at the price target yet here. Price target sitting around the $8.60 here. So are we going to create more volume? Yes, I do think so. After that, yeah, we are not in price discovery yet, if I say it correctly, because I do think yeah, EOS has a very big correction from the top side. So let's see what it will be doing. But already at this level over here is the previous high. Definitely think the $8.69 will be major resistance. So let's see if we're going to find some big resistance from it. So let's see what we're going to do. I see a lot of people saying, please stock XRP. I will be doing it later on. But first, I see Classic Parks Breaks donating 10 US dollars to the channel. So thank you so much for your donation. You're asking me, what do you think about Stellar Lumens? So let me check Stellar Lumens, and of course Stellar Lumens, we were anticipating Stellar Lumens break for the all-time high. And guys, we were if you know it on the channel, we were talking about Stellar Lumens over here, and we were anticipating, yes, it looks to be that we're probably going to crush for the all-time high, but if you want to be entering, I should not be entering over here because it's still likely to get a correction. So in general, what you can see over here, because we discussed this as well, once we're going to break for the all-time high, guys, this is so significant, and this is so easy to trade. I mean, sometimes it just seems too easy to do, and just with the Stellar Lumens price, as you can see here, breaking for the all-time high and then having a perfect retest. So breaking for the all-time high, having correction towards this level, and then finding support at this level, and after that you can be moving up. So this is of course very exciting what you can be seeing over here. Since retesting this level, you moved higher, so definitely think it is very likely to get this move to the downside getting created. And of course, this is your entry target. You want to be entering at the previous all-time high. Very big resistance will be flipping into support. Very likely TA. And what do I expect right now? Of course, I don't have a clear price target for you, but I definitely think we will be just moving up higher. It is riding on price discovery once again. Even though we're creating a bearish divergence riding on the 4-hour, I still think we are going to move up quite a bit. So looking forward to it, where we are heading towards. So thanks for your GRT tip. I earned a few $1,000. So let me go to GRT, guys. Let me go to GRT. Guys, we were discussing GRT for quite a while as well on the channel. I mean, we're talking about all these coins already for such a long period of time because we on the channel, we are always saying, guys, we want to be accumulating our positions once we are sitting low. We want to be accumulating our positions once at the low. And right now for the GRT price action, we were telling everyone, guys, everyone want to be buying a GRT at the top, but they don't want to buy GRT right now. But that is the point, what you do want to be doing. You can see exponential run up here getting created, consolidation, very bullish consolidation. And the reason to say that is, of course, also creating, we are still fighting at this level. So we haven't flipped extremely bullish yet, but I will be flipping extremely bullish anytime soon here, guys. As you can see here, is this a daily resistance? Yeah, this is the daily resistance level, of course. Let me do this real quickly. This is the 1 day. This is the 1 day. The daily level. So this is of course the daily level of resistance. Let me flip this in the top side, and on the left side over here. I will be doing it on the right side. So let me save this one real quickly. So yeah, you can see this is the daily resistance level for the GT price action. And the daily resistance level is also providing the resistance at the moment. So what you currently can see here, daily resistance is providing the resistance. But if we're going to crush through this level, and guys, I know for sure that we're going to crush through this level, setting higher lows. Trend is basically to the upside. And just like I told you before, Bitcoin is moving up. Definitely think that GRT will be following as well. So breaking through this critical resistance line, finding support at it. Right now getting corrected by this day. Oh, sorry, I missed the Phantom super chat. So guys, I'm so sorry that I'm missing some super chats, but I will be going into Phantom in a second. Thank you for reminding me, guys. Thank you for reminding me, because there's so many requests coming in here. I'm trying to discuss every single one of them, but sometimes I just oversee them because there are coming so many requests in. So GRT, I will be finishing up GRT, and after that we'll be going into Phantom. Guys, give me a second. But you can see here resistance getting broken, but right now we definitely want to be breaking above the $2.11 because this is the daily resistance level. So let's see what we're going to do. If we're going to smash through this level, want to be seeing a retest, and after the retest we can be moving up higher once again. So let me go to the Phantom price section, guys. Let me go to Phantom, and what are we seeing here? And I really like Phantom. I already told the viewers earlier on that as well. And the reason why here is just like GRT, you are buying Phantom at consolidation. Huge run up here. Everyone wants to be buying Phantom over here, but they don't want to be buying Phantom over here. I don't get it, but definitely right now is your time to accumulate some Phantom. And the reason why I'm saying this is because it looks to be that we have some very good consolidation going on. And also, as you can see here, GRT couldn't do it, but Phantom is currently setting a higher high. So Phantom is absolutely looking particularly bullish in my opinion. And let me also flip onto this Fibonacci level if I want to be spotting some extension levels. So it's very hard to draw for me sometimes, but yeah, as you can see. Oh, damn it. So as you can see right now for Phantom, the price action of Phantom, I do think, yeah, we are right now trading against us at support, I mean. So let's see what we're going to do in the Fibonacci chart. I do think that we in general, we're trading at horizontal support, as you can see here. Basically, we're once again always bouncing off from this level. So can you be still accumulating some Phantom at low prices? Yes, I definitely think so. So looking forward to it, and also we are currently creating an upward sloping supportive line here. So do I feel excited? Yes, I do feel excited. Also having a downward sloping resistance line getting created, maybe already breaking through it right now. So will Phantom move up here? Yes, I definitely think that Phantom will be seeing exponential gains. I also think that we are going to see a crush through the all-time high very soon, and it's already 100% move to the upside. And my point here is, I do think it will be reached very quickly and also in a very rapid pace. I do really like the project. I do think it's a very good project, and I do think it's worth getting exposed right now because, yeah, you're buying at lows. And in the end of the day, guys, I want to be buying the lows. I don't want to be buying the highs. So very excited with the Phantom chart. So also, I missed an Omni super chat. Super chat. So I really like Omni. First of all, I can't discuss Omni on TradingView, because it's currently not sitting on TradingView, so that's pretty unfortunate. As you can see also over here, it's currently not on TradingView, so that's pretty unfortunate. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I really like Omni, and like I told the viewers before as well, everything below the 1 cent is a good buy. And right now, yeah, you're having a very good buy in my opinion. So buying below the 1 cent is definitely worth it. A very good project, very undervalued in my opinion, even though it's already sitting around 1.3 billion. Guys, you want to be buying the coins that are not exploding yet here. In my opinion, you want to be buying coins that haven't pumped to the upside yet here. And a lot of people are willing to FOMO into some other projects. But I think, yeah, it's definitely worth to get exposed to Omni. It's definitely worth to get on board of this project. It's definitely worth to check it out, because read something about it and you will be flipping extremely bullish. So very excited what we are having here. Then what can you be saying about XRP? Guys, I really want to be discussing XRP, but first I will be going into the super chats because yeah, Omni is of course a very exciting project, but I really can't discuss the charts because I don't have it on TradingView. So Rain also asking me, what do you think about Cody? So let me go into Cody. After that, we'll be definitely going into XRP, guys, because a lot of you guys are seeming to request this for me. Do VeChain, please. We already discussed VeChain, but late on the stream, we'll be definitely discussing it once again. So Cody price action, symmetrical triangle, upper sloping support line, previous resistance flipping into support, and then once you're breaking it, it is once again flipping into to resistance. So that's of course the reason why we were getting pushed a little bit lower. Momentum to the downside was created. It looks like that we are currently creating some kind of a falling wedge, guys. So you can see downward sloping resistance line and downward sloping support line. This looks clearly like a falling wedge. And a falling wedge, of course, a very bullish bias pattern because the breakout is more imminent to the upside and it's usually never breaks to the downside, the falling wedge. So do I think Gotti will be breaking to the upside? Yes, I do think so. And the price target to the upside is already approximately a move of 28%. So is it worth it right now to buy into Gotti? If you want to make a 28% return, yes, I do think so. Also think the momentum can be shifting very quickly to the upside, especially because of Bitcoin and the altcoins in general right now popping off to the upside. So definitely worth to get exposed to. Do you want to be buying right now? Yes, I do think so, because you are buying into support and of course into a very bullish bias pattern. So looks particularly good here. But then let me talk about XRP once again. Let me talk about XRP. It's even creating more volatile, guys. $1.91 here. Damn it. I have to take a sip of my coffee, guys. I have to take a sip of my coffee. I've been talking for such a long, rapid pace. We're already 1 hour live, guys. So congratulations for everyone who's already watching this whole hour. In the meantime, while I am taking a sip, make sure to smash up the likes, guys, because we're currently having 550 likes. Can we be smashing it up to 1,000 likes in the coming hour? That will be absolutely insane target for me. So I mean, currently only 50 more likes away from the 600. Guys, I think we can definitely work together and do so. Bitcoin flirting with the 65Ks. Yeah, Bitcoin is not looking to stop, guys. It will be going into XRP, of course. But yeah, you can see also Bitcoin creating more volatility to the upside. The trade chat still looking to them. Still doing particularly good here. But I do think these trades, I can be riding them to 70K. And of course, 70K is a lovely target to see Bitcoin heading towards. But first, let me take a quick sip of my coffee because I am very thirsty. Yeah, it tastes very good. So Noah is saying in the chat, put your seatbelts on, and I think yeah, you're completely right, guys. We have to get our seatbelts on. We have to get ready. I will be tweeting something real quickly. Put your seatbelts on, guys. If you haven't followed me already on Twitter, make sure to do so. Would be, of course, very amazing. We're currently having 4,000 followers as well here. At Rover Crypto, almost 4,100. I mean, it's definitely worth to follow us as well on Twitter. Would be very amazing. I mean, already a like. Thank you so much for your like, of course, guys. Can you be liking this tweet? Would be, of course, very amazing. But I mean, we're talking about very interesting things here on Twitter. If you have some, I mean, we were anticipating the Bitcoin breakout for already such a long period of time. Of course, the weekly ascending triangle breaking very nice to the upside, guys. I just feel very excited about this. Already 11 likes, guys. Thank you so much for liking this one. 88 to the moon. Yeah, it's absolutely 88 is absolutely blasting off here. So sure, you're completely right. 88 is blasting off to the upside, and let's see what this heading towards. But already 70 likes, guys. You are smashing it. But yeah, let's talk some XRP. I see also a lot of requests for Crypto.com coming in here because, yeah, Crypto.com is also performing very good here today. So, yeah, I mean, we already discussed ADA for quite a while here. Still will be saying the same, guys. I think we're going to see volatility getting created towards the $2.09. Very excited to see here. I definitely think it can be here in a very rapid pace, and we can be reaching it anytime soon here. I think we already can be reaching it today. So today's a very exciting day. Definitely want to be doing a very long live stream because, yeah, the market is letting me. Of course, today I have a whole day. The whole day I'm free. I have a lot of spare time here, so definitely worth to stream the whole day here. I'm looking forward to it because, yeah, the price action being so interesting. For XRP, yeah, I think we're heading towards the $2.09, and that's still a move to the upside of approximately another 10% move to the upside. So very exciting, guys. Looking forward to see XRP pumping even more. Don't think we're going to stop anytime soon here. And you know it on the channel, guys, you can't say that we are not spending this already for a long period of time. XRP to $3 in 3 weeks. We're absolutely crushing it with our predictions. Yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. So let's see what we're going to do. But first, I will be discussing Crypto.com once again because Crypto.com looks to be breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, guys. It was fighting against this resistance line, and like I told you before, I don't have a pretty clear price target. And the reason why I don't have a pretty clear price target is because this is not really a very beautiful pattern in my opinion. So let's see what we're going to do here. But the resistance line getting formed, since seeing a breakthrough, we created volatility, and here we saw the fake out, of course, playing out. So we are heading towards horizontal resistance levels. Let me flip it to the daily, by the way. Let me flip it to the daily. So the daily resistance already got cleared, but maybe we can still find some resistance on it. So let me do this. Let me do this as well. Let me set a line over here as well. Because, yeah, there are still 2 levels that we have to be clear. So if I do this to the 4 hour, these 2 levels are levels that we have to be clearing on the price section of Crypto.com, because this is of course daily resistance, and daily resistance can be pushing up the pushing down the price once again a little bit. So if we're going to close the daily candle above this line, this will be very exciting. So the daily candle is still quite far away, but if we're going to see a daily close above this level, guys, we are having the highest daily close ever in the history of Crypto.com. So is it a bullish thing? Definitely, it's a very bullish thing here. It looks like that we're currently breaking through this level, and we're of course reversing the trend on the daily. So do I feel excited about the price action of Crypto.com? Yes, absolutely, and looking forward to it. Where it is heading towards, guys. Can you explain an ADA entry, guys? I definitely want to. I definitely want to. And guys, if you haven't already signed up with your Femex account or with your Bybit account, make sure to do so right now. If you want to be joining us with these trades, because guys, do you want me to do a live trade here? Do you want me right away? We'll be asking it. Do you want me to do a live trade here in the stream? Because then we can be opening a live trade here, maybe on the price section of XRP. Looking forward to it. Let's see what we are doing here. Let's see if we can be doing it. Have some different accounts right now as well. Open sale. I have still some multiple accounts that I can be trading with. I still have some funds here. So let's see if we can be doing a trade here. Currently already in a lot of positions. I am in a trade of AVE. I'm in a trade of XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also in Litecoin. So also a thing that I want to be doing here is opening a trade anytime soon on the price section of ADA. And yeah, my explained entry is basically, you can see here previous resistance. That will be my entry target. So $1.45, 46 cents here will be my entry target here, that I am willing to enter my price section, where I'm willing to enter my long position on ADA. Because guys, I see a lot of yeses coming in here. So I think we have to do a live trade here, guys. Make sure we still are just live for 1 hour. I will be definitely looking for a trading opportunity. But of course, I am more willing to trade, let's say, AVE or GRT, because I think these assets are way going to gain a lot here today. So that's the reason why I will be looking for the entries of these prices. So if you have it already, I will be trading it on Femex. So you can already sign up with the referral link in the description. Will be, of course, very amazing, because then we will be, of course, taking this trade probably on Femex. You can be already setting up your account, because once we're doing this trade, you have to anticipate very quickly. So we will be doing it live in stream. So already looking forward to it. And I see a lot of yeses coming in here. So let's see what we're going to do. But we will be, of course, doing it later on in the stream. I will be, once seeing a coin, what is always here, and I will be, in a second, I will be looking into the price section of Unit Finance, because I really like to trade that one as well. And also Algorand, because I think these coins will be definitely showing a lot of volume anytime soon here. So for the price section of ADA, yeah, the entry price is definitely $1.46 here. So let me go into Algo. Because guys, I want to be buying into coins where no one is talking about. I want to be going into coins, and look at Algorand. It's looking particularly good, to be honest. In my opinion, Algorand, you can see, first of all, if I remove all my drawings and you look at the chart, what are you seeing here? Parabolic run up here, and right now you're reversing once again the trend to the upside. You're setting higher lows, you're setting higher highs. In my opinion, Algorand already consolidated for quite a while. And in my opinion, it's also looking to have a breakout anytime soon once again here. So do I feel excited about the price section of Algorand? Yes, I do feel very exciting. So let's see what it is going to do. Also breaking through the 0.618 here. You can see the 0.618 providing a lot of resistance. So guys, right away, in the best scenario, I want to be entering my Algorand trade here around the $1.45 here. Let me see if I still have some funds on this account. Let me quickly go to the Algorand over here, because otherwise I have to take it on a different account. I only have $1,000 on this account. So let me quickly look at my different accounts if I have some funds over here, because yes, guys, in the end of the day, wanted to be taking a good trade here. Let me flip onto a different account. We'll be taking a good trade here. I will be using a low leverage, guys. You have to know it. I will be taking a low leverage. So we'll be taking this. Let me flip it on back to the screen, guys. So I will be setting a live limit order right now here. I will be setting a live limit order, and let me get this right into the screen. So you guys want me to trade, I will be trading for you guys. So if you want to be signing up as well, make sure to sign up with the referral link in the description if you want to be making, if you want to be getting some extra bonuses. So let me go. I have it right now in the screen. So first off, let me switch it up here. This was, of course, let me see. I have to transfer in some US dollars. So again, in quotation. So let me go to the Femex chart. Let me go to spot trading, of course. If you want to be spot trading, you have to get spot trading. So let me flip it on to the Algorand chart. So let me look at the possible entry, guys, because I do want to be trading this one. Looking forward to see where it is heading towards. So very exciting days, of course. Very exciting days. Also, if I flip onto the Fibonacci over here in the Femex chart, you can see. I mean, I will be looking at a different chart because this is probably a little bit more clear for me. It's a little bit more clear on this side. So my entry target is running to $1.45 and $1.45. So I will be setting a limit order right away here, $1.45 and 50. So we'll be taking a very low leverage, guys. We'll be only using a 5x because I'm going to enter with 75%. We'll be adding more and more to my position once falling further and further. So stop loss, of course. I will be using a stop loss, but I will be adjusting my stop loss because if we're really going to fall further, I will be adding more and more to my position. So once doing that, I will be definitely keeping you guys up to date. Let's see if this entry is $1.45. Yes, this is $1.40. Oh, this is $1.14. I typed it incorrectly. Sorry, $1.45, guys. It will be my entry target. So if you're willing to join me on this one, I mean, I really like Algorand. So this will be my entry target. Hopefully we're going to see a correction because otherwise we're missing out here. But you can see, I will be never rushing into any trades here, guys. That's the thing that I'm not doing here on the channel. Never rushing into anything. But I definitely think it's a good trading opportunity. And the reason why I'm saying this as well here, if you just set up this rectangle over here, you can see here this major previous resistance. So can we still see a touch of this level? That will be very exciting because, yeah, maybe we already missed out of this one. But I will be never rushing into anything. So if we're going to see a correction, this will be my entry target. So very excited to see. If you want to be joining me, make sure to sign up with the Femex referral link because I'm trading this one on Femex. So yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it, guys. Let's trade this one all together to new all-time highs. Let's rate this one all together to new all-time highs because, yes, I feel very excited about the project of Algorand. I feel very excited and I do think it's really worth it. So, yeah, looking forward to it already. Looking forward to it already to make some very exciting gains here today. So, yeah, let's see what we're going to do. $1.45 here. For the people that still have some questions about the trade, make sure to ask me in the chat. And if you're asking about certain targets, of course, the first target is already $1.62 here. But it's more the trade that I'm accumulating, guys. And if you're not familiar with the channel yet here, in the bull run, I like to trade with the trend. I like to trade with swing trades. And I like to have my trades open for a long period of time because then I'm using only a 5x leverage, but I think I can be riding it to new all-time highs because the market structure is extremely bullish. It's just like 2017 here. Parabolic run-up, consolidation, another parabolic run-up. So I do think that will be playing out once again here. That is the reason why I'm accumulating a low leverage position because if we're going to be falling, I will be adding more and more to my position. So very exciting things that we're planning here. So what will I be doing? I will be probably riding it to way higher, and of course, once reaching maybe 100% profit, I will be taking out some initial. So yeah, I will be if we're getting filled on this trade, guys, I will be definitely keeping you guys up to date about what I am doing with the trade. So. You also have to join the Discord server if you're excited for that as well, because in the Discord server, probably going to give some more updates about the trade, and if I'm going to see some other trades. Guys, definitely going to accumulate as well. And also, if I go to Euro.finance, maybe you are having a trading opportunity right now with the price action of Euro.finance, because Euro.finance is also tradable on the price action on the exchange of Femex. You can also be trading on Bybit. So if you want to be signing up with Bybit as well, you can be doing so, because maybe we're seeing an opportunity over there as well. So if I just make this one a little bit less thick. And you can see here, previous all-time high, getting a perfect retest, and right now also having a retest over here. So this is very exciting to see. Maybe we can be bouncing already off from this level. But yeah, we are still seeing a lower high over here. So not really identified the reversal yet here. So don't really like to trade Euro Finance at the moment because I don't see the perfect significance in the chart yet. So. Also, Dave, donating to the channel, you're asking me, hey, Crit Rover, before you pack your bags with Glitch, have you did some TA on EGLD? So I'm very excited. What is Glitch right now doing? Is it even increasing more and more in valuation? No, it has not yet. It has not yet. So very excited what you're doing, man. Hopefully you're going to make very good gains with this coin. I truly hope it for you. But then let me talk a little bit about EGLD, because EGLD is also an asset that is performing very good here. And guys, look at the significance. Once again, look at the significance for hourly candles. Guys, we were discussing this yesterday as well here on the channel. EGLD, just like AVE, just like Algorand, guys. And I will keep my eyes out on Algorand, of course. I will keep my eyes out on Algorand because I definitely want to get filled here, of course. But what we are currently having for the price section of EGLD, guys. You can see here, upwards, a move to the upside getting created here. We're getting rejected at this point, and then we are seeing a correction. So cool period getting started, and just like GRT, just like Algorand, you can see consolidation, parabolic run-up, consolidation, and then you create another run-up. And that is just how the market is working, guys. And that is a thing that I'm trying to say to you guys every single day, because the most important thing, if you are here to swing trade, and that is what I'm doing here, the most important thing to do while swing trading is identifying a market trend, identifying how the market is behaving itself. And you can be learning this from looking back to the past. And in the past, in 2017, the market is doing the exact same. So having a parabolic run-up in the bull run and then create another one. So you want to be buying into consolidation. You don't want to buy into a big pump. You want to be buying into consolidation. And that is the thing, what I say every single day on the channel. So that's definitely worth it. And that's also the reason why I'm trying to accumulate these positions, just like on AVE, just like on GRT, but also with the price action here on GRT. With the price action of EGLD. So EGLD is absolutely looking very bullish in my opinion. You can see that we crushed through the previous autumn high. We crushed it through. And what do you want to be seeing to really open your trade is, of course, a retest of the previous autumn high. So beautiful retest coming in for this coin. EGLD is absolutely crushing it right now. It's absolutely looking very bullish in my opinion. You can see a perfect retest of the previous autumn high. What are we going to do right now? We are going to create huge follow through to the upside. I don't see this coin stopping anytime soon here. So yeah, next target in the Fibonacci chart. If you look to the extension levels, $310 is definitely your next entry target. So looking forward to see if that level can be reached here. I definitely think that we're going to reach it anytime soon here. So if you are willing to accumulate your position right now on the EGLD price action, I think it's right now still a good opportunity that you're getting, even though you're trading at very high levels, guys. Make sure to get on board on this one. I definitely feel very excited about it. So, GP Textile, you're asking me TRX. So let me go into the price action of Tron here. Let me go into the price section of Tron. But yeah, EGLD is basically looking extremely bullish. It is extremely bullish at the moment. So what are we having with Tron? Tron is also still moving to the upside, guys. Let me see what Tron is doing here. Where did I set up this previous Fibonacci? I think, yeah, it's from this high over here. So it is absolutely showing a lot of significance, this Fibonacci chart. If you are looking to extension levels, so let me set it up with a different color because I just want to be looking at this one. And as you can see over here, this is the final extension level. The 4.236 here, and you can see usually this Fibonacci is showing a lot of significance. 1.618 providing the resistance, and you can see just like the price section of XRP, once breaking it, retesting it, and moving higher once again. So very exciting to see, but you can see right now finding resistance around to 4.236 here. I don't think that we're necessarily going to have a lot of rejection from off this level. But yeah, what you also can see right now in the price section of GRT is creating a bearish divergence right now. Bearish divergence on the 4-hour, but once again going to say it. I don't like GRT. I don't like the price section of Tron. I don't like the project. I am staying away from it, but yes, it is still increasing in valuation. And if Bitcoin is going to increase in valuation, Tron will be not lagging behind. So also, guys, we are seeing a new high getting created here, lower high in the RSI. Definitely very bearish situation unfolding on the price section. So once creating here a bearish divergence, we're even creating another bearish divergence right now over here. So please get careful. Please be careful. Definitely, it is very likely to get a reversal. But yeah, just like I told you before, because Bitcoin is increasing in valuation, Tron is not going to lag behind. Tron is definitely going to be following as well. So very exciting what we are having here. It's very hard to spot some levels of resistance because we're absolutely in price discovery. So maybe we can be spotting some levels of resistance if we are looking to this Fibonacci that we're right now setting up here. So yeah, you can see crush through the previous autumn high. Right now retesting the previous autumn high. So definitely, I do think. Yeah, it's very imminent to see a more momentum to the upside getting created. Already having a retest of the previous autumn high. Do think the next target is 17 cents here. 17 cents is still approximately a move of another 18% to the upside. So looking forward to see where Tron is heading towards. Today will be exponential. Hashtag today will be definitely exponential. So people are in the chat saying ADA is pumping, and definitely, damn it, guys, ADA is even showing more volatility. And Adam Nahem, previously you were asking me, is $1.50 a good entry? I mean, still will be saying $1.50 is not a good entry. Even though you're right now seeing the follow through, please never rush into trades here. If you're entering at $1.50 with your long position, you're absolutely going in with with your gut. You're not opening a trade with in a good way here, so definitely not worth to do so. So yeah, it is still showing follow through. Yes, I wouldn't be surprised if we're going towards the $2. But if you're willing to trade it, I should definitely wait for a retest over here. Never rush into trades, guys. It's not a thing that I'm doing here on the channel, so please don't do it. I don't think it's a smart thing to do, so definitely looking forward to see where it is heading towards. But yeah, for the moment, we are getting pretty overextended. So G-Handle also donating to the channel, and you were saying, can you check VRA? Please. Let me check it. But guys, before I'm going into the price section of VRA once again, before I'm going into the chart, guys, I was talking about this one early on as well on the channel. But guys, before I'm going into it, we are currently very close to reach the 32k subscribers. I can't believe it, guys. We're going absolutely like a rocket ship today. Just like the market, our channel is also growing exponential. We are doing this all together. So guys, if you haven't liked the video yet here, make sure to do so. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it would be amazing if you're doing so, because we're currently 38 subscribers away from the 32k here. Can we reach it today? That will be absolutely insane. I mean, getting a subscription on this channel is completely for free. A lot of channels on the YouTube cryptocurrency space are asking money for their technicals. Of course, if you're donating, you're purely supporting the channel. You don't necessarily have to do it. I totally appreciate it for everyone who's donating to the channel. But guys, if you want to be subscribing, it already means a lot for me. So let's see if we can get this 32k today. It would be, of course, very amazing. But for the price section of VR8, what are we having for this coin? Let me talk a little bit about charts, because yes, I can be talking about the channel for the whole day, but in the end of the day, we are here to make some good gains in the cryptocurrency space. We are here to make some very good gains, because yes, the market is letting us, the market is giving us this possibility to just make insane and exponential gains today. So what are we going to do? We are going to look for good projects, and today also, as you can see, we're trying to accumulate this position on Alcoins. So looking forward to it, but what you can see here with VRA, guys, you're creating a bullish divergence right now. So you're setting a lower high in the RSI, higher high in the price chart, creating a bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence, definitely worth to check it out. Is it going to bounce right now? Yes, I do think a bounce is imminent for this coin. Yes, you're still creating bearish divergence, but yeah, right now also in bullish divergence and trading on support. I do expect that the immediate short term will be moving higher. So let's see what it will be doing. Very exciting days. So Ashwin also donated to the channel. You're saying, please talk about Wink and Dogecoin. Please, Dogecoin gave me 190% returns in 2 days. What about Wink? Please tell. So yeah, Dogecoin, very exciting. Very exciting what we are having currently with Dogecoin, of course, providing us all these returns. I just feel very excited once we are seeing their big returns, of course, coming into the market. And of course, I mean, you're buying into coins. Dogecoin has zero fundamentals, but I'm more holding it as a coin flip. I don't think it's a good thing I don't think that you have to be buying Dogecoin if you're going to make gains, because if you're going to buy into Dogecoin right now, you're buying into a coin that's pretty overextended, 92% today. Do you want to be buying the highs? No, you don't want to. Yes, it is a high probability that it's going to gain even more in valuation. But guys, I don't think it's necessarily going to happen here. So should you stay away from Dogecoin? I think it's funny to buy as a coin flip, but do you want to be buying into it because it has good fundamental worth? No, of course not. So for the Wink price section, you can see exponential growth period getting started, and right now consolidation playing out here. Falling wedge. It looks like we are creating a falling wedge right now on the 4 hourly candles. And falling wedges are very bullish buy patterns. But yeah, we're still in the consolidation. What you do want to be seeing here before flipping bullish is, of course, a breakthrough of this resistance line. If we can be breaking through this resistance line, guys, I will be flipping extremely bullish if we are breaking through this resistance line, and if we're finding support on this line, I will be looking to get exposed to this one. Of course, a lot of people are talking about it, so not exposed to Wink or so. But you can see here, I do want to be seeing a breakthrough of this level before flipping bullish at the moment. It is not particularly looking extremely good for me. Still in a downtrend, exponential growth period. I think consolidation is imminent for this coin. Consolidation is imminent, and maybe also a breakthrough of this resist line. We are in need of that if we want to be continuing the trend to the upside. So, Ashrain, hopefully you're going to make good gains on it. Hopefully you're going to make some good gains on your Dogecoin, but you want to get careful. My country, YouTube, my country does not support super chats. Oh, that's pretty unfortunate. But yeah, I mean, it's true, very lovely that you're a member of the channel. Thank you so much that you are a member of the channel. It's truly lovely to see. But guys, also, we're so close currently with the 32k. I can't believe it. We're exactly 5 subscribers away. Can't believe it that we're almost going to reach the 32k here. We're absolutely crushing it today on the channel. Looking forward towards the whole day. And let me know if you have something, some requests from me. Dogecoin to $1. I definitely think we're going to $1. But it's just a matter of time, not a matter of if we're going to go to $1. And I know, guys, you have to know what Dogecoin is going to do. They're also going to burn tokens, etc. It's just more purely because they want to create a very scarce project, and I think, yeah, Dogecoin is absolutely going to moon. It's absolutely going to moon. So very excited to see, and let's see where Dogecoin is heading towards. Dogecoin has this logo, and it costs 1 million. I mean, it's cool, right? It's cool. Please do XRP. I know a lot of people are talking about XRP, but we already discussed XRP for such a long period already. Holo. Wesley's asking me Holo. Let me go into Holo. Let me go into the price section of Holo Chain. So, for just like we are seeing with Wink, etc., extreme parabolic extreme parabolic uprun, and what you can see right now is having a correction, creating a falling wedge here, and it's definitely going to give you a breakout anytime soon here. It's definitely going to give you a breakout any soon here. But the judge is also saying to the channel, the meme I sent you was a reply on your live tweet. So let me go. You sent me a meme. I have to go to this one. So 52 likes. Thank you so much. Which one is it? Is this the meme? Is this the meme? Let me see. Let's blast. Yeah, definitely we're going to blast after the episode. But let me know, the judge, which meme that you sent me. I'm quite excited. What altcoins are winning tonight? Can't make the show. Oh, that's pretty unfortunate. But we'll be reacting to you in a second. But, guys, what we are having with Holy Channel. Let me know, the judge, where did you send me the meme? Let me know where did you send me the meme. And guys, if you want to send some memes, maybe about me, or maybe about the channel, maybe about the cryptocurrency space, make sure to go to the Discord server and go to memes, because there we're going to witness all the memes, of course, on the channel being made, of course. And if you want to be a part of the community, definitely make sure to join the Discord server. But first, guys, I want to thank everyone for reaching the 32K here. Absolutely insane target. Can't believe my eyes. I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. Thank you so much, guys. Let's head towards the 33K here. Can't wait to see the targets getting reached there. We're crushing it on the channel. We're crushing the market, so looking forward to it. So Holy Chain, what are we having with the price section of Holy Chain? We can see falling wedge getting created here. Looks to be that we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. Feel very excited about this project. So let's see where we're heading towards. Also, previous resistance will be most likely flipping extremely good support. And also a thing that we do want to be discussing here, we are almost creating a bullish divergence on the 4 hours. So you can see we're creating a higher low in the RSI right now. Yeah, but yeah, we haven't created a lower low in the price chart yet. So what I do want to be seeing is a 4-hourly close, maybe over here on the downside, 4-hourly close over there, because then we're creating a bullish divergence. So let's see where it is heading towards. But I definitely feel very excited about the price section of Holy Chain. I think it will be moving up quite significantly in the coming days and the coming hours. So where it will be heading towards, if we're going to see a breakout, it's approximately another surge of 40%. So hopefully we're going to see some good gains being made here. But then we got another support of the nation from Gray, and let me check it real quickly. I see so many questions coming in the chat, guys. But then I see support of the nation from Gray, and you're saying, can you please go to trading view settings and turn on the watermark so we can see at which coin you're looking at? And I mean, Gray, I want to be doing this, but it's really frustrating me because sometimes it's quite annoying. I can be doing it, I can be doing it, but I want to be making it a little bit less big, but I can't make it smaller, so that's pretty unfortunate. So I will be setting it at 1%, so I can be doing the watermark if you want to. So let me do the watermark. I think it's a good thing to do. So it's very, very minor. So right now you can see the watermark. So hopefully you're going to enjoy the watermark. Hopefully it will be helping you. So then also another super chat from Norbert Barron, and you're asking me Crypto.com, please. So let me go to Crypto.com for you, Norbert, and thank you, of course, for support of the nation, guys. You guys are so supportive on the channel. I don't know what to say. Absolutely grateful to see here. But guys, what we want to be discussing, if we're looking to the price section of Crypto.com, let me draw this a little bit different. And let me set up this line over here. Let me make this blue. And let me also do this real quickly. Let me set up the text. This is the daily resistance level, guys. This is the daily level that we have to be breaking here on the top side, on the left side, etc. So this is the daily resistance level that we have to be breaking here. And let me also save this one up. Save drawing this, the daily. So this daily resistance that we're currently having. And daily resistance is, of course, a level that we have to be breaking. It's very important to break the daily resistance. So you can see on the left side, we have 2 levels of daily resistance. But in the end of the day, the end game is, of course, breaking this daily resistance over here. Because if we're going to close the daily candles for the Crypto.com price action above this highest daily candle before, we will be extremely bullish because we are identifying an uptrend once again. Here we started the downtrend because we were closing, we were getting rejected by the daily candle. So yeah, what do I want to be seeing by the end of the day is, let me make this daily a little bit bigger, by the way, because otherwise you can't see it. Maybe let me flip it to the 16, and let me do this like this. I will be removing this one and also removing this one. So yeah, you can see here daily resistance. We'll be properly providing you resistance once. We will be properly seeing a lot of resistance right now playing out for the price section of Crypto.com. But if we can be closing this daily candle above this line here, about the 23 cents here. 23.6 cents is the target that we have to be closing above. And if you can be closing above this level, I will be flipping extremely bullish, guys. And I will be, of course, looking for even higher highs for the price section of Crypto.com. You can see we haven't closed the daily candle above this level yet here, but create a lot of wicks over there. So will be very important to close above the daily candles. Will it be very important? Yes, it will be very important. Will it be very bullish once closing above it? Yes, I will be extremely bullish. Oh, you can't see the watermark. I have to set it to 5%. So let me make it. Let me do 3%. But otherwise, I think the watermark is sometimes for me a little bit distracting. So hopefully, I think you can see it right now. I think you can see it right now. Let me know if you can do. Let me know if you can see the watermark right now. But yeah, for Crypto.com, I feel very excited if we're going to break the close the daily candle above the 23.6 cents here. Will be my most important level to see to getting broken, guys. So let's see once we're going to do so. I do think we can be seeing this breakthrough of this level in the coming days. So very exciting, of course. But also another support of donation from Ellie. Ellie, thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for your £5 donation. And you're asking me, can you please look at Kusama? So of course, let me look at Kusama. Hopefully, we're going to see a very good chart for you. So this is a drawing that I did previously, and I know I haven't not looked to this chart for quite a while. So you can see perfectly spelling this chart, but yeah, what you basically can see over here, and this is also a thing that I'm currently expecting. I mean, we were creating all kinds of bearish divergences. That was also the reason why we are topping out right now. Yeah, you're setting lower highs in the RSI, higher highs in the price chart. It's basically yeah, identifying you're in a downtrend. So the most important part, what you can see right here, is of course parabolic run up. And after a correction in parabolic run-up, you're usually yeah, reversing the trend. So this is, of course, not a good thing to see here. If we're going to go higher, we're going to create huge bearish divergences. So it's imminent to see some corrections or some consolidation playing out for this coin. So let's see what it is going to do. I do think that we're probably going to see a big correction from off this point. So let's see if we're going to see so, because I think, yeah, of course, Bitcoin is moving higher. That is the only way what can still provide some more bullishness in this coin. But in general, if I just purely looked at this chart, it is probably going to see a correction or some sideways action. Because, yeah, getting into a parabolic run-up, consolidating right now. So I don't think that we're necessarily to go way higher with this one at the moment. So should you buy into it right now? I don't think it's right now the best buying opportunity. So in my opinion, you should be staying on the sidelines for the moment at least. You should be staying on the sidelines, and if you're already in good profits, I think there are some different projects that can possibly give you some better returns. So MG also donated to the channel. You're asking me, can you check VTHO? So we'll be checking VTHO for you. I see you're also giving me an auto request, but there are currently so many requests coming in here, so I will be doing one request per super chat. So yeah, for VTHO here, what you can see here, resist line getting formed here, previous resistance flipping into support. So VTHO is very exciting what you can see here. I think VTHO is one of the coins that are right now providing you a very good buying opportunity. And the reason why I'm saying this is because this is a very beautiful symmetrical triangle. You can see very beautiful previous resistance flipping into support, and also providing the lower side of the symmetrical triangle, and the resistance on the top side also having a very significance. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches already. Are we going to see a breakout? Yes, for VTHO, we're going to see a very stealth breakout anytime soon here. So is it worth to get exposed right now? Yes, I do think so. And yeah, if you're buying into VTHO right now, I think you can be making very good gains, because yes, the price target is pretty significantly to the upside. And if you're going to see a breakout, it can be pushing up the price towards the $2.6. So yeah, this is approximately a move of another 56%. So if it's worth it, do I think it's worth it? Yes, I do think so. And can you be buying into it right now? Yes, it looks like you're buying into very, very beautiful territorium. So looking forward to see where it is heading towards. So yeah, let's see what it's going to do. And yeah, Algorand is very close to our entry target. So hopefully we're going to see a correction for Algorand coming in here, so we can get an entry on it. So they also have to take some water. So it's a very exciting day. So D donate to the channel. Thank you for your 8 Aussie dollars. And you're saying, hey mate, can you check reserve rights, RSR? I heard good things about them. So of course, if you heard good things about it, we definitely have to check it. So let me see if I catched up with all the subjects. And guys, I see right away another impersonator in the chat here. Fake Crypto Rover. Please don't fool for it. Don't get fooled. Don't add him on. Don't add him. Please don't do it. It's not worth it. Please don't do so, because it's absolutely going to crush you. So be careful. There are a lot of impersonators. So let's see what it's going to do. So hopefully it's going to be very exciting. So if we look to the price section of RSR, guys, we are having a very exciting day. So currently what you can see here, symmetrical triangle getting formed. We broke out to the upside, but we were seeing a fake out. So since creating this fake out, we re-entered the channel, and right now we broke above it once again. So this resist line is providing you a lot of significance. So you can see previous resistance flipping into support over here. Got rejected over here once again, but yeah, right now we broke above it once again with 4-hourly candles, and it looks like that we're going to create more volatility to the upside. So do I feel excited about RSR? Yes, I do feel excited if I just purely look to the price chart. And I do think, yeah, we are also creating a bullish divergence over here, so I don't really see the point that we were breaking below it once again. But yeah, I do feel very excited about the price section of RSR, having this symmetrical triangle here, seeing some fake outs, but right now it is once again giving you the opportunity to buy into it. So hopefully you can be seeing, more vols getting created here. Hopefully we can be going a little bit higher. So let's see where this is heading towards. Hopefully we can go way higher. So if you can see right now, it is heading towards the 12 cents here. It looks like that we are creating volatility to the upside anytime soon here. So if it's worth, I definitely think it's worth to buy into it right now. So if you are not exposed to RSR yet, I definitely think this is a very good coin to get into. It looks very solid. It looks like we are really respecting this uptrend. And maybe if you're seeing correction to this lower side, once again, this is really providing you the buying opportunity. So, yeah, definitely worth to look at. And definitely looking to have a very stealth breakout anytime soon here. Definitely probably going to see a very stealth breakout anytime soon here. But guys, a quick thing that I want to be saying here, I want to give a big shout, a big shameless self promotion here. So if you haven't followed me already on if you haven't followed me already on Instagram, make sure to do so. If you haven't followed me on TikTok as well, make sure to do so as well, because we are very cringe on TikTok. It's right now at Crypto Rover. We yesterday made this very cool TikTok. It had quite a lot of views. I did not expect to get so much views over here. But I'm new to this platform. I never used it before, so I'm very cringe. So, but it would be very amazing if you're following me as well over here. Also, guys, yeah, we are doing this every single day here at the Twitter page. Yeah, already having 4,100 followers. Absolutely cool that everyone is following me right now. I see a big shout out for everyone who's following here. Thank you, CR. So big like to you, of course. So yeah, very cool. Very cool that we are currently having here. So hopefully we can be gaining all together here. It would be amazing. And if you haven't joined the Discord server already, make sure to do so, because it is worth it. It's worth it to check it out. Ask everyone here in the comment section who is already familiar with the channel. Ask everyone. I think the Discord server is a very valuable server. I mean, we're currently having so much members over there. We're currently having 1,250 members, so 12,000 members approximately. So yeah, if you haven't already joined that one, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. So let me discuss some coins. XRP just testing resistance and support. So let me go back into XRP. Oh, damn it, guys. We are moving once again. Yeah, $1.91 here. Let me go into the previous price section. Let me go into the monthly candles of XRP. Let me go into the monthly candles. Because, guys. Because, guys, I want to be setting up one thing here. I will be setting up one thing. And let me do this. Let me set up this monthly candle and do it on the top side. Yeah, left side. Yes, like this. And I will be saving this one. And this is the monthly close. So, guys, what are we having right now? I think we are right now nearing the most significant resistance for the price section of XRP, because this is the highest monthly close we ever had in the price history of XRP. Let me remove the Fibonacci for a second. So, guys, you can see over here, highest monthly close ever in the history of XRP. You can see this level was the highest close ever, and we are right now very close to it. So do I expect that we can be seeing a stealth rejection? Yes, there's a very, very likelihood that we can go higher and create a big wick on the lower side, because this is just not a level that we're just going to crush through, guys. This is just not a level that we're going to crush through. And I see a lot of people talking in the chat, XRP is dumpy. Please, guys, you don't know what even a dump is on XRP. This is a dump. This is a dump. But right now we are seeing a minor wick getting created on the top side. This is not a dump. Please, if you can't handle the heat, if you don't have hands of steel, if you don't have metal hands, guys, you are at the wrong place, because in crypto, you need to have hands of steel. You need to set your emotions on the sidelines, because otherwise you can't be in the cryptocurrency space. And I think, yeah, Bitcoin is falling off quite significantly, or not? Or do I say something? Bitcoin is going lower. Yeah, I see Bitcoin is going quite a bit lower. So I mean, for XRP, guys, it's looking like we are nearing very exciting levels of resistance. But this is, once again, the thing that I like to see here. We are creating a correction, and I see everyone is freaking out here in the chat. Everyone is freaking out in the chat, guys. Do you want to be freaking out here? Do you want to be that guy that is right now freaking out? No, you don't want to be like him. You don't want to be like him. And the reason why I'm saying this is here, guys, we can't go up in a straight line. But we are trading with the trend, and the trend is definitely your friend. And I mean, yeah, we're seeing a minus self coming in here. Yes, we're having a bearish reversion in the 1 hour, but not a bearish reversion on the 4 hour. But do you have to freak out over here? No, you don't have to. It's absolutely, guys, everyone is freaking out right now. But the point here is, once we are falling, it is only providing us more opportunities, because just like we were talking about the price action of sorry, let me get it right, Algorand, because I, in the end of the day, want to be accumulating my ADA position, Algorand position. So, Nahem, see your request coming in here. Check ADA on Femex. Your chart is on Binance. Give me a second. Give me a second. But what you're currently having here is, let me see, Algorand. I definitely want to be entering that position on Algorand, and you can see it's almost giving us the opportunity to accumulate this. So the reason why here, guys, I love to see corrections, because corrections are providing us opportunities. So don't freak out here. Don't freak out. Make sure to accumulate more on these corrections. So, Nahem, you're asking me, check your ADA entry on Femex chart. So ADA USDT. Let me get it on the Femex chart for you, my friend. So yeah, your entry price should be, let me flick it to the 4 hour. Yeah, we're right now looking at the 4 hour. So yeah, your entry target should be around the $1.46. $1.46 is your entry target as the retest. So please never rush into anything here, but $1.46 is definitely a good target where you can be sending an ADA long position and can be riding it towards $2. So definitely worth to check it out. $1.46 is definitely worth it. But guys, please don't freak out here. Make sure to embrace this opportunity once again here. And I mean, it's no reason to panic. There's no reason to panic. And I see so many people freaking out right now. But guys, are we going to freak out? No, we are not. Or what are we going to do here? We're going to benefit from it. And just like I told you before, I mean, guys, we were talking about the trade that we were going to do all together on the stream. This trade we're going to take all together, and the only point how we can be taking this trade if we are going to see a correction. So it's definitely in big need that we're going to see a minor correction. And just like I told you before, a market can't go up in a straight line, and it needs to have corrections. And just like Bitcoin, is also just a very normal market, and Bitcoin can't also go up in a straight line. So, like I told you before, people were all asking me, should I enter a Bitcoin position? But then you're absolutely entering at all-time highs. And is it smart to enter at all-time highs? No, it is not. So, what should you be doing? You should be waiting for a retest of the lower sides. And I'm not saying that we're heading towards this level, but I'm only saying that you have to accumulate a long position once reaching this level. You only want to accumulate long positions once having a drop-off. And guys, please, don't freak out over here. Don't freak out. I will be loving it. I will be absolutely so happy if we are seeing Bitcoin going towards 61K here. Because if Bitcoin is really going towards the 61K, guys, it is providing us one of the biggest opportunities that we have been waiting for on the channel. So, do I think it's likely to happen? No, it's probably not going to happen. It's probably not even it's not going to happen. I already know it. It's probably not going to happen that Bitcoin is heading towards 61K here. But if it's really going towards 61K, I will be accumulating my position bigger and bigger. I'm already having so many positions currently open on Bitcoin. I like to trade Bitcoin because it is very easy to trade, because the trend is basically to the upside, and I'm trading the trend, and trading the trend is very easy to do in my opinion. So do I feel that I have to freak out? No, completely not. And you can see already we are creating a big wick on the lower side, and the reason why here is because there are so many people sitting on the sidelines willing to enter Bitcoin, and you can see the buy orders are coming in. And even though if we're going to drop even further, it will be only better and better and better, because we're getting rid of these people that are freaking out here. We're getting rid of the people that are only FOMOing into the market, and they are scared to hold their Bitcoin because they're buying at the top and they're selling right now because they're freaking out. There are still people here. I'm not saying that you guys are it, but there are still people in the market that are buying here. They're buying Bitcoins around the 64.8K. They're buying Bitcoins over there. And after that, they are selling it over here because they think, oh no, we're going to zero. But no, we are not going to zero. It's a market. If you're new, I know a lot of new people are coming in here, and new people that they don't have experience with forex trading. People that don't have experience with crypto in general. But if you are willing to get exposed to crypto, guys, you have to have hands of steel, because can you handle it? I will be right away asking it for everyone who's right now new to the channel, for everyone who's new in crypto, guys. Can you be handling the heat? Can you be handling the heat? If you can't, you have to get out of it. Because, guys, you can see, you have to handle this. You have to handle these corrections. I'm not saying that we're going to see a correction. Probably we're not even going to see it. But you have to handle these wicks on the lower sides as well. You can see, are you one of them that are selling, that are panic selling over here? No, you don't want to. You don't want to. So please you have to have handle steals, because otherwise you are getting wrecked. And I don't want you guys to get wrecked. I want to be gaining altogether. I want to be accumulating more positions. I want to make more gains because I have hands of steel. I am, of course, I mean, I have already witnessed this so many times, and I see it always happening in the chat. I always see it in the chat. I see people freaking out, and this is truly a thing that I don't want to be seeing here. And that is the reason why I'm saying this every single day. And also a thing that I see every single day is, guys, is these CME gaps, and how hard are we crushing it on the channel? Let me right away know in the chat, because so many people are saying to me, Rover, we're going to fill the CME gaps. But no, guys, we don't have to fill them. Of course, I do think in the bear market there's a high likelihood that we're going to fill them. But right now we are extremely bullish, and we don't necessarily have to fill them. And also, guys, we're never going to fill the CME gaps around the 9K here. And this one, people were not willing to buy in Bitcoin right here because they say there is a CME gap getting created, but then they all got wrecked. And then we have another weekend, and we are creating another CME gap, and they're going to say the exact same. And they did not learn from their mistakes. Guys, these people that are anticipating the CME gaps are not learning from their mistakes, because yes, they are still waiting for a 9.7K Bitcoin to get filled. Yes, they are still waiting for a 70K Bitcoin getting filled. I mean, how many mistakes do you want to be making as a trader that you're going to wait for Bitcoin to buy it cheaper? If you're willing to get exposed to Bitcoin, buy right now. Go sit on it. And I mean, even buying Bitcoin around 64K is not even a bad buy in my opinion. It's not a bad buy, especially if I looked at a longer term. If you're not exposed yet, you are at major risk. It's more risky to, it has more risk if you're not exposed to Bitcoin right now than if you are exposed to Bitcoin right now. If you're buying Bitcoin right now, it's not even a risk. It's more a bigger risk if you're not exposed to Bitcoin yet. So, guys, please don't get wrecked here. I don't think that we're necessarily going to fail, because I still see people talking about it for such a long period of time. But then, if we're rushing through the upside, we're not failing them. So I mean, it's absolutely cool that we are currently doing here. So yeah, definitely love it. Definitely love it. And once again, giving you guys a little bit of a motivation, because you never want to be giving up in crypto. I mean, guys, I know it can be hard. Let's say you're buying coins and you're making losses. Please make sure to never give up, because that is also the spirit that I learned. Never give up. Even though if you're a trader and you're not successful, I think, of course, training has a certain risk attached to it. But I've been training for a pretty long time, and I've made my own strategy. And your strategy is very important while trading. Let's see, my strategy is always to, I mean, I like to trade with a trend, and especially trading in a bull market is, in my opinion, pretty easy. And that's the reason why I'm doing it also quite a lot here recently on the channel. So what my strategy is, I will be explaining to you guys what I'm doing, what I'm always trying to do. And just like I did previously with Bitcoin, like my strategy was over here to accumulate a big swing trade position. So what I was doing, of course, enter this perfect low over here around 50K, and then I was adding more to my position once falling. And also over here at retest, I was just building a bigger position because I was averaging in on a nice price. I was even adding more and more to my position to build a bigger position. And at the end of the day, you can see it pays off because I am patient. And patience is very important in the cryptocurrency space. You want to be patient. You want to be controlling your emotions, etc. But guys, I think I've talked a lot about it, but let's go back to the charts, because people can't stop talking about XRP. And guys, we were, before going into Bitcoin, we were talking about XRP, that it is heading towards this monthly resistance level. So what you can see right now here, XRP all good, will games. Yeah, I mean, people, don't freak out here. Once again, like I told you before, if you are here in crypto, you want to be having hands of steel. You don't want to get wrecked here. Let's see what we're going to do. So, Nahem, you're asking for a stop loss here. It really depends. Nahem, let me know what your leverage is, because I can only give you a stop loss if you are giving me your leverage. Because, yes, if you're, let's say, a 5x leverage, you can be, let's say, affording to lose 15%. But if you have a 10x leverage, I think you can only afford to lose 20%. So that's 2%. So, it really depends on your leverage, Nahem. So, and also on the chart, we'll be going into it in a second. So, also great donating to the channel here. Hey, Rover, is the bull run over? Just joking. Sorry, couldn't help it. Please, try 5% on the watermark. It's still not visible on small screen. So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for it, that it's not visible yet. So, let me flip it to 5%. Hopefully, it's going to be visible right now. I think it's visible right now, right? should be visible right now. So hopefully it is visible right now. But thank you for supporting the Nation Crate. Thank you so much for everyone who is supporting the channel, guys. We're absolutely crushing it today. I mean, you guys all supporting the channel, and also me reaching the 32k here, 1.8k, 1.9k watches even right now. So guys, I truly can't believe it. If you're new to the channel, it would be amazing if you're right now smashing up the likes here. Let's see if we can reach the 1,000 likes in the stream, guys. Let's see if we can reach the 1,000 likes. Would be amazing, because smashing up that like button, guys, it's only taking a few seconds of your time. I think it's only taking 5 seconds of your time. You have to go to the downside. You only have to look. You have to swap your phone, or if you're on your PC, you only have to go scroll a little bit to the downside, smash up that blue button, the blue like button. That will be absolutely insane, because then we can be maybe reaching the 1,000 likes, guys. Are you want to support the channel completely for free? Make sure to smash up these likes. That will be absolutely insane, because then you're helping the cryptocurrency space in general and helping the channel. So that would be, of course, very amazing. But you can see for XRP, guys, we want to be breaking this this level. We're still 16 days before closing it, but this is a very important level that you do want to be looking at, in my opinion. So also, let me set this chart once again back again, because we were looking at the Fibonacci chart, of course. Let me see. I think this was the Fibonacci that we were looking at, of course. So, yeah, that was the Fibonacci that we were looking at. So, it's still providing us the significance. Hopefully, we're going to... Oh, guys, we even smashed it up to 800 likes already. Guys, you are smashing these likes up. I can't... This is absolutely lovely. And GW is saying it only takes 1 second to hit it. I mean, you were crushing it with your 1 second. You're absolutely crushing it. But yeah, XRP is definitely heading towards the $3, guys. I can't wait to see it. Of course, anticipating it on the channel for such a long period of time. But then let me talk a little bit about Chainlink. Guys, I want to be talking about Chainlink, because Chainlink is providing us very good opportunities. And I see also Demo becoming a member of the channel. Completely awesome. Completely cool, of course. Thank you for supporting the channel once again. But guys, let me talk a little bit about Chainlink, because what I think right now, what I'm seeing here is, I think I'm seeing a big good potential gain period once again starting for the price action of Chainlink. Guys, I here on the channel, I'm always trying to make the most amount of gains, and I think you guys want to be doing the same here. So let's talk about a coin that can be providing the very good gains here. And that coin is, of course, Chainlink at the moment. I think this is the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart, guys. This chart is giving me right now the opinion. This chart is giving me right now the idea that we're going to see a stealth breakout to the upside. So this is a very bullish chart, in my opinion. And I'm absolutely looking forward to it, to where it is heading towards. And if I also flip on to the MACD here, I can see that the momentum is shifting to the upside. First of all, you want to be identifying the trend. So for the main reason why I do feel very bullish about it, since the 9th of February, you can see the trend is basically to the upside. So we are setting higher lows, we are setting higher highs. The momentum is basically to the upside. Daily crossover, very bullish crossover on the MACD as well. And the most bullish part about this is also that Chainlink is right now forming a huge symmetrical triangle. And this symmetrical triangle, of course, will be breaking out anytime soon here. And you can see we are currently trading against this level and will be breaking out, guys. We will be seeing a stealth breakout. And we are already talking about Chainlink for quite a long time on the channel. And this will be approximately an 82 breakout compared to Bitcoin. So do I expect that Chainlink will be very bullish in the coming days? Yes, I do expect so. And when will it be breaking out? It will be at the end. Maybe it will be breaking out, let's say, in the coming 2 weeks. I think the 1st of May will be the end target that we are going to see a breakup, but I do think we're probably going to see it already in the coming week or coming 2 weeks. So is it worth to accumulate some Chainlink right now? Yes, definitely. It has been sleeping for quite a long time, but guys, Chainlink is right now just a sleeping giant. You want to get on board of it, and I see also a donation coming in from Even. Give me a second. You're saying you just got into ADA. Let me go into your request in a second, but first let me talk a little bit about the price action of sorry. Let me first talk a little bit about the price action of... oh, damn it. I have to reload my page real quickly. But first, let me talk a little bit about the price action of Chainlink. Because I think we are getting a very good opportunity. And I want to be making good gains. And I want to be doing it all together. And that's the reason why I'm giving you right now my opinion about it. So let me flip it to the 4-hourly candles, guys. What we are having over here, you can see we are crushing through the all-time high just recently, and that's also the reason why I do think is right now still also a very good time to buy into it. And also, if you have it already, you can also accumulate some swing trade positions. And once I'm saying swing trade positions, I already will be saying low leverage trades. You do want to be accumulating low leverage trades here. Because yes, there is a probability that it's going to correct, and after that going to move to the upside. So what your strategy should be, at least what my strategy should be if I will be trading this one, and I will be definitely trading this one on my private account, looking to accumulate this one anytime soon here, and definitely that's the reason why I'm telling you guys all this information right now, because I feel very excited about it. You can see breakthrough of the previous all-time high. Right now, retesting it as support. What will it be doing? Guys, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect what you're right now getting. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity once again. Chainlink extremely bullish in my opinion. Is it worth to get on board on it right now? Yes, I do think so. Will Chainlink be taking some territory back? Yes, definitely. Will it be heading towards the top 10 once again? Definitely. It's looking extremely bullish. We'll be overtaking Dogecoin. I do think yes. Looking forward to it. I do think Chainlink can be showing huge follow-through in the coming days, guys. So is it worth it? Yes. I'm not saying this out of nowhere. I'm not saying this out of nowhere. You definitely want to be looking at it. So then let me flip on to the 88 chart once again, because I see Avon just got an entry here. So absolutely cool that you got your entry in here. So let me flip it to the 88 compared to Femex, so on the Femex chart. So you're saying, hey, Crypto Rover, I just got into an 88 trade, $1.46. How high do you think we can go in the short term? So maybe this was already the retest, because sometimes the retest, if I just flip away this line over here, sometimes the retests are not perfect, and you can see it already bouncing up from this level. So there is a high likelihood that we already found the low and that we're going to continue higher. But there's also a likelihood that we're just going to see another move to the downside getting trade before really blasting off to the upside. Because yes, it is getting pretty overextended. And yes, there is a high likelihood that we're just going to cool off before really blasting off to the upside. So what is my target? For this retest, my target will be $2. So how high can we go in the short term? The short term is very hard to say, because I do think the short term we can be maybe seeing some kind of a cool off, because we have a very parabolic run up. And maybe, yes, we're going to extend this parabolic run up, and I won't be surprised if we're going to do so. But yeah, please be careful. Don't rush into anything. And I don't think it's smart to rush into trades right now, only on the perfect retest. Yeah, this is already a very nice retest, of course. So let's see what it will be doing here. $1.46. Very nice entry target, of course, $1.46. But yeah, the target is, of course, the end target is $2, because yes, we are breaking out of the ascending triangle here. Very bullish consolidation going on for the price section of ADA. So is it pretty worth it to get exposed to ADA right now? Yes, it is definitely worth it. Is it going to the moon? It is definitely going to the moon. So do I think it's smart to get exposed right now? Yes, I still think so. Especially if you're here in a holding position, you're going to make exponential gains, in my opinion. So let's see where it is heading towards. But $2 is definitely my target for this trade. So $2 is still approximately a trade of 25%, approximately, if I say it correctly. Yeah, it will 36% even. So a very nice increasement in valuation. So yeah, let's see where it is heading towards, my friend. But I definitely think you're having a good entry, and hopefully you can be seeing the more volatility getting created anytime soon. So then we're also having a donation from Harris. And Harris, you're saying, I'm holding Bitcoin, XRP, Polkadot, ADA, BNB, VeChain, Ethereum, BitTorrent. Can you do an analysis on XRP and BNB especially? So I will be going into BNB. I discussed XRP so many times, guys. Of course, everyone on the channel already know what I think about XRP. I feel extremely bullish about it, of course. And it will be definitely mooning towards the $3. But I did a lot of talking about XRP. So I will be going into BNB for you, my friend. So what do I think about BNB? Do I think BNB is overextended? Yes, I do think it's extremely overextended. As you can see as well here, you want to be identifying a trend, and this trend is basically going to parabolic. This is going to parabolic. So what do I expect for BNB? I expect BNB to have some consolidation. If it's going to consolidate over here, it will be very healthy and also very nice to see. So if we're going to see consolidation, I do think there can be still a possibility that we're heading towards the $480 US, because there's also the golden pocket entry. And if you are willing to accumulate a long position on BNB, or if you're willing to accumulate big amounts of BNB, I think the $480 US is definitely your target that you do want to be getting exposed to BNB. But right now, I do see more kinds of consolidation coming around here. Maybe some kind of a continuation pattern on the lower time frames. If you look to the 1 hourly candle, you can see, if I look to the chart, guys, you can see we are creating an uptrend on the 1 hour. We're creating a downward sloping resistance line on the 1 hour. So maybe we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. Maybe we're going to see some more volatility getting created. Hopefully, we can see a correction coming in here and head towards the lower levels, because then we're just really identifying this symmetrical triangle, and we can see a very stealth breakout to either direction. But I mean, I feel very excited about BNB, but I think it's still too overextended. I am hugely exposed to it. I'm not going to sell my holdings, because you know it on the channel. I'm going to sit on my BNB for a very long time, because it's just definitely a good long-term hold. So yeah, looking forward to it, where it is heading towards. But I don't think that we're necessarily going to shoot for the all-time high once again, because if we're going to shoot for the all-time high, we're going to create huge barriers of divergence. So that is my reason why I should be staying on the sidelines if you want to be buying into right now. I think there are a lot of projects right now around here in the cryptocurrency space that can give you a very good returns, but I don't think BNB will be the one, if you're buying into it right now, that will be giving you the best returns in the immediate short term. So let's see what it will be doing. So damn it, guys, I have to take a sip of water. I have to take my sip of water. We've been crushing it today, guys. I see also Scott donating to the channel. Let me go into your request real quickly. Scott, thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for your $5. Let me quickly get some water in my throat, because we have to stay hydrated, guys. We have to stay hydrated, otherwise we're not going to crush it. So let me go into engine in a second. Guys, water is so lovely. Water is so lovely. It's so good. So, Scott, what are you asking me? Scott, you're saying, hey, Rover, love your streams. Any ID engine isn't moving right now. Or it might pump again. And yes, I know it just did. So, any idea what engine will be doing? I feel very excited by engine, to be honest. I feel very excited once looking to the chart. And recently, earlier today, Amir was also donating to the channel. And Amir was saying to me, what we're currently seeing with the price section of engine. And I do think what I currently see right now is, of course, crush through the previous all-time high, and you do want to be seeing a retest after that. So you can see crush through the all-time high, right now having a retest. And yeah, once you're seeing, of course, a crush for the all-time high, and this is definitely lovely to see a retest of the previous all-time high. And this is the reason why I do think, yes, right now is your opportunity to buy into engine. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I really like to see a retest of the previous all-time high coming in. Because the retest of the previous all-time high is basically giving me the confirmation that we're probably going to blast off once again to the upside. So what we'll be doing right now in the immediate short term, I definitely think that we're going to see a bounce to the upside getting created. A new all-time high is also imminent anytime soon here. So is it a good buying opportunity around to $3? Yes, definitely. Definitely it's a good buying opportunity. And I think it might pump once again here to the upside. It is imminent here anytime soon here. Bitcoin also just setting new all-time highs. It will be dragging the market along. And engine is definitely very bullish right now, in my opinion. And I see you're also asking. I forgot to talk about Synthetic as well. So I forgot Synthetic as well. So let me discuss Synthetic as well then. I mean, engine is very straightforward. It's trading at previous all-time high. It's probably going to bounce pretty significantly to the upside. So for this coin, for Synthetic, we're not. Is this? I say it correctly, right? This is Synthetic. Yeah, it's Synthetic. So Synthetic is currently sitting around 2.2 billion market cap. Huge run up, as you can see. Very lovely to see. But yeah, what you can see here previously, we are having a huge run up here, and after that you are seeing some consolidation playing out. But we are already breaking through the critical levels of resistance, as you can see over here. Downward sloping resistance line getting formed, and since seeing the breakthrough of this resistance line, guys, we flipped extremely bullish once again here. So what you can already see here, setting a higher high than the previous high, so already breaking the downtrend and right now starting a new uptrend. So it's definitely looking very bullish in my opinion. Also starting an upward sloping supportive line here. It's looking particularly good here. I definitely think that we can be moving up quite a bit here, and also having, guys, as you can see here, tests of this previous this new support line getting started here. So it looks like we are starting a new uptrend on Synthetic. And also, guys, I like to buy in coins that consolidated, like I told you before. So Synthetic having a huge run up here and right now consolidating. I do think right now is a good buying opportunity. So definitely worth to check it out right now. Definitely worth to look at it, and definitely think you can be buying into it right now, and it will be probably giving you very good returns. So then I'll see a donation from Mr. Morhi, and you're saying, I've been up for 24 hours, even the $1.24 when a stop loss XRP. Being up 24 hours, that's absolutely insane, bro. Even at $1.24. So you're talking about XRP. Let me go. Let me flip it to the XRP chart. So you've been already up since the $1.24. That's absolutely insane, bro. That's pretty low. That's pretty low. That's pretty long for a pretty long time already. So I think you're even longer up than 24 hours. So you're crushing it, man. Went to stop loss. I don't know. Where's your entry target? Is your entry target $1.24? Then you have to put your stop loss definitely in profit. But I don't know what your entry target is, so I can't give you really a stop loss, Mr. Murray. So I see a lot of donations coming in here. I see Dempson also saying to the channel 1 inch. So let me check 1 inch real quickly for you, my friend. Let me flip it on to the 1 inch chart. Let me flip it on to the 1 inch chart, guys. As you can see with the 1 inch price action, we are seeing a crush for the all-time high. And we are right now retesting it, not perfectly because we were breaking below it once again. So as you can see right now, Upper sloping support line getting formed here. Maybe we're going to see some kind of a breakout anytime soon here. But it's not a thing that I'd like to see here. It's not a thing that I like to see, to be honest. Once I'm seeing a breakthrough of the Ultima, I do definitely want to see some more volts getting created, to be honest. Because, yeah, I thought, okay, maybe we are crushing for the Ultima, having a retest right now. But it not really showed the volatility to the upside. So that's pretty unfortunate to see. But also creating a lower high in the RSI. It was just giving us a bearish divergence. Buy strength was losing. We reversed once again to the downside, and that was also the reason why we are right now seeing this downtrend getting started in the immediate short term. So also what you can see right now, if I say it correctly, yes, we are setting a lower high in the RSI, higher high in the price chart, forming a bearish hidden bullish divergence. I mean, so it can be giving us a signal that we're going to move up once again to the upside. So very exciting what we're having. Bearish divergence on top getting created, bullish divergence on the lower side. So do think that we're right now in some kind of a consolidation pattern. Let's see what we're going to do. Definitely think that we have to crush for the Ultima high and definitely see more volts getting created and then having a retest. Because, yeah, it looks like this retest was not working over here. But I think if we're going to crush for the Ultima, we're definitely getting another retest before really moving to the upside. So it looks to be breaking out anytime soon here, having an upper sloping support line getting formed. Trading against resistance. It's trading at the apex. It's going to break out anytime soon here. So let's see what this is towards. But I definitely feel very exciting. And I think it can be crushing through the new Ultima anytime soon here. So, Cuba Crypto, you're asking me, what do you think about EOS and NEO? Will it hit all-time highs? No, I don't think so. I don't think that... let me go to the NEO chart. I mean, first of all, I don't like these 2017 projects, etc. Do I think NEO can reach all-time high? Yes. I mean, yes, it probably will be still reaching all-time high, but will it be giving you the best returns in this coming bull run? No, I don't think so. And also, if you look at the market capitalization, yeah, I mean... I don't really like it. I don't really like it. Of course, I don't think it's a bad project because they're still coming out with updates, but it's way too slow. I mean, you want to be looking at new projects, in my opinion. New projects, way brighter, more institutional interest. I do think it's a good coin, but I don't think it's going to give you the best returns in this going bull run. Just like EOS is exactly the same. It's a good coin, but I don't think it's going to give you the best returns. It's definitely going to reach the previous all-time high. Definitely, it's not out of the books. We're definitely going to reach it because, yes, guys, alt season will be giving us major returns, and these coins will be definitely pumping to the upside very, very quickly. But do I think it will be giving the best returns in this coming bull cycle? No, I don't think so. I definitely don't think so. So, also, let me see. Also, a donation from 3D Nick once again here. You're saying, do you mind sharing your thoughts on fun? I mean, yeah, recently a lot of people. I do. What the project was exactly? I was reading a lot about Funfair, but I mean, this is the wrong coin. It's Funfair, you mean probably, because there are a lot of fun tags here. It's Funfair, right? What you mean? Oh, this is the cringe TikTok account. I'm sorry. Or do you mean Fun Token? There are multiple funds. Maybe you mean Fun Token. Maybe you mean Fun Token, but I do think you mean Funfair. So let me check Funfair for you. Funfair, of course, traded on Binance. What do I think about it? Yeah, we're basically having a consolidation right now after this huge run-up over here. And we're having bullish consolidation. It's going to the upside. Trend is basically the upside, setting higher lows. Creating a higher high as well over here. So it looks like the trend is definitely reversing. We're creating a higher high once again. So higher lows also getting created. So yeah, in the immediate short term, yeah, we're creating a downtrend, and we're creating some kind of an symmetrical triangle here. So let's see what it will be doing. But in general, you're still in an uptrend, setting higher lows, setting a higher high over here. So I do feel very excited once I'm looking at this chart. I definitely think we can be moving up once again, trading at support right now. So do I think a bounce is imminent? Yes, I definitely think we can get a pretty significant bounce to the upside. And do think it's very likely to create that the bounce, to be honest. So very exciting chart what we are having here, but I don't really know. Let me know if you mean Funfair or if you mean Fun Token, because there are two different coins, of course. So I see people talking about BNB of Bitcoin falling. Yeah, Bitcoin is moving down a little bit here, guys. But please don't freak out here. I see that Ethereum is taking a bigger hit than Bitcoin. You can see also the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation dropping off a little bit here, because it's just taking a little bit of a bigger hit. And usually once Bitcoin is reversing, the other altcoins are following up in a more rapid pace. But guys, quickly going to give an update about the Algorand trade that I'm willing to take here. So Algorand is here laying around the corner, guys. Oh, sorry, you can't see it in the screen, so sorry. But you can see over here, almost going to enter our Algorand trade here, and you want to be knowing here, I will be adding more to my position once it's dropping off even more. So if we're going to create a wick towards the $1.41, then definitely will be adding more and more and more to my position. But in general, I feel very excited about this trading opportunity that we're currently getting here. So if you want to join us as well with these trades, definitely make sure to sign up with Femix, because I'm trading this one on Femix, and this, of course, on Algorand. The entry target is $1.45 here. I think I can get very good returns on this trade here. So hopefully we can get this entry. And this is once again the significance why you never want to be rushing into trades. Only enter at good times here. And if we're getting filled over here, I definitely think it's a very good target to get filled. So looking forward to it, guys. If you want to be trading as well with me, would be very amazing. You can sign up with the referral link in the description to get some extra bonuses if you're already signing up here. And of course, this is not the first trade that we're doing here on live in the stream. So definitely looking forward to see more trades to get accumulated here. So let's see what we're going to do, guys, but I definitely feel very excited about it. So if you haven't signed up already, make sure to do so right now. You can also already set up your account if you want to, but it's definitely going to give us very good returns. So Amir also doing Amir Chini, if I said it correctly, also donated to the channel. You're saying, would love to hear your thoughts about Reef. Let me look at Reef for you, my friend. Let me look at Reef for you. And I mean, I really like Reef. I really like it because you're buying. This chart is very chaotic. I'm sorry. That chart is very chaotic. Let me flip to the daily candles real quickly. So why I'm saying that I'm loving Reef at the moment here is because also Reef is consolidating for quite a while right now. And it is basically an uptrend. You can see the daily setting higher lows each and every time. This is absolutely looking particularly bullish in my opinion. Also downward sloping resist line getting formed right now. It has some very bullish consolidation. So this looks to be this looks for me to be a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle is very bullish bias patterns. Are we going to see a breakout? Yes, we are going to see it anytime soon here. Are we going to see a very stealth breakout? Yes, I do think so. And are we going to see a lot of volts we can create? Yes, I do think so as well. So the breakout to the upside is already a target of approximately 50% to the upside. So do I think it's worth it to get into it? Yes, I think so. Will be giving us very good returns, yes, as well. So what do I think right now currently at Reef? I think it's extremely bullish. So definitely worth to jump on right now, guys. And by the way, I want to ask one more thing here on the channel. I want to be asking two things, by the way, because if I look to the stream, I see that we're currently 88 likes away from the 1,000 likes. So can we reach the 1,000 likes? Only 88 more people have to smash it up. And also, if I look at the subscriber count, guys, we're currently 8 more subscribers away before reaching the 32.1k. So it would be very amazing if you're right now smashing it up as well. Let's see if we can do it all together. It would be amazing if you can right now be a subscriber as well on the channel. Only 8 more to go. Would be amazing because it's completely free, and we're of course going to crush it all together on the market. So I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, my brief thoughts are extremely bullish at the moment, to be honest. I feel extremely excited about it. 88 dumping. Entered at $1.47. Any stop losses? So let me look at your stop loss. You're entered at $1.47, and I mean that's already, guys. What we're currently seeing here for the daily candle. Let me flip it to the. Let me see. Let me flip it to the Femix chart. Any stop loss? I do think stop loss. If you're, let's say, entered at $1, you're entered at $1.47. So that is still a particularly high entry. I was more anticipating of $1.46. It was a better entry, and that's the reason why you never want to rush into anything. So you're currently already at 27% to the downside. So that's pretty a lot here with the 10x leverage. So there are two things that you can be doing here. I don't know how much capital you still have on the sidelines. So what you can be doing here is maybe if we're going to keep falling, you can be adding more to your position. And guys, thank you so much for reaching the 32.1k subscribers. Thank you so much. I see it already coming in here. So what you can be doing here is adding more to your position once you're falling. So you're averaging in on better price because your price entry is still pretty high. And I do think, yeah, this is right now a retest, and we can be creating a big wick on the lower side. I do believe that we can be creating a big wick on the lower side, and I see that Bitcoin is dropping off for a second, guys. I will be going into Bitcoin in a second, but you can see it's right now ignoring the previous resistance at the top side, flipping it into support. But I definitely think we're probably going to create a huge wick on the lower side. But yeah, your stop loss has to be very tight because you're already in 30% loose. I mean, even 40% if I say it correctly. So you're doing a pretty bad job in my opinion. So right now, so hopefully you can be still create a wick on the lower side. But you definitely want to get out already on 20% loss in my opinion with a 10x. So maybe you already have to close your position. Because it's not looking like you're having a very good. You're not. I mean, if you're entered at $1.46. What my strategy should be if I entered at $1.46, you're of course right now approximately in a 3% loss, and in my opinion I already had to got out here at 2% stop loss. But it really depends on your strategy. If you want to be adding more to your position, you can be maybe looking to do it at $1.35 here. we're really going to keep falling here. $1.35 is a better better accumulation level, and that's also the reason why I like to, if you're entering at these high levels, I like to enter with a 5x leverage or so, and once falling you will be adding more and more to your position. So let me also look at the chart of Algorand, because I do think that I got filled right now. If I got filled, it would be of course very amazing, but yeah, your stop loss should already be reached in my opinion for your trade. So let me flip it real quickly to the Algorand price section. Let me see it. We already got filled. Yes, we got filled, guys. We got filled. So for everyone who took this trade as well here, we were discussing this trade. Oh, we got filled. We not completely got filled. So it's pretty unfortunate. We wicked to the lower side. We not completely got filled, as you can see here. Look at this. Sometimes I think I'm a magician, but guys, we not completely got filled. As you can see, only $627 got filled, and I entered it with 8K. So we still have some more quantity that we're going to enter. So we need another drop-off for the price section of Algorand to get fully filled here, so hopefully we can get that as well. And if we're going to keep falling more and more, I will be adding more to my position, so definitely looking forward to it. But yeah, we got filled for Algorand, not completely, so looking forward to to get filled completely. So let's see what we're going to do here. So I see also a question for Valcoin, so let me see what we're going to do. So Algorand entered. I see people saying it in the chat as well. Algorand entered, but we not completely entered yet, guys. We don't have the full entry yet. And the reason why here is because we wicked very quickly. And if you want to get filled, you have to have some more time here. It has to go a little bit lower, because right now we not completely got filled here. So still have to wait a little bit longer, but still, if you haven't already, if you still want to be joining this trade as well with us on Algorand, because we believe that Algorand is going to see insane vaults you're getting created, you can definitely already accumulate your position as well here. You still have the opportunity. $1.45 is your entry target. $1.45.5 here is your entry target, and you can be signing up with Femex, because I don't believe if you can trade it on Bybit. I don't think so. So if you want to be trading it, you can be trading it on Binance or on Femex. We are trading it all together on Femex. Of course, the ditches may be a little bit different, and yeah, we got completely filled. We are getting more fill orders coming in here. So guys, if you want to be seeing it live in the screen here, I was not enabling my screen, so you can see here we got another mining quantity got entered, so hopefully we can add more and more to our position, because we do want to be seeing this going a little bit lower, because right now we not got fully filled here. So very excited what we are having here. And also, I see a donation from Harsh coming in here. You're saying, can we expect an extended bull run till the end of September/December? I do think that's pretty ambitious to see a bull run till December approximately. And guys, look at the fill orders coming in here. Probably hear it as well. I don't think, my thoughts are right now saying no. I don't think so. But maybe I have to change my opinion about it later on. But at the moment, no. I don't think the bull run will be extended to September, December. Guys, you don't want to get too greedy. And good thing to know here, I completely got filled here. For everyone who jumped as well on this trade, absolutely cool. We're going to crush it all together. So looking forward to see where we're heading towards. And I mean, like I told you before, we're on 5x leverage. We can be riding this one a little bit lower. Right away, we'll be setting up another limit order. If we're really going to go lower, I will be adding more to my position to really accumulate a bigger position, of course. And that is, of course, if we're going to see a drop of towards the $1.39 here. So if we're going to see a drop of to $1.39, I will be adding more to my position to average in on a better price. But even though I don't think that we're necessarily going to see that level getting reached here. So if we're going to go towards that level, I will be, of course, also setting up a stop loss. So if you want to keep up to date about this trade, guys, make sure to join the Discord server. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we will be discussing this trade every single day on the stream. So let's see how far we can be riding this. Let's see if we can be riding this one to new optimized. I definitely think so. So already we are creating a wick on the lower side. So hopefully we can be moving up quite significantly. Only with a 5x. So taking low leverage, taking low risk. So that's always the strategy on the channel. So looking forward to see where the trade is heading towards. But then I will be discussing Valcoin, because Valcoin was again got requested here on the channel. So yeah, like I discussed before, if we're going to see a breakdown of this symmetrical triangle, I don't think that you want to be trading this. You can still create a wick on the low side. Still, I mean, we still have 2 more hours and 33 minutes before closing this 4-hourly candle. And I do definitely believe that we can be creating a wick on the lower side. And if you're creating a wick on the lower side, we're creating a fake out to the downside. And we will be probably moving up quite significantly. So let's see where it is heading towards. I don't think that Valcoin is necessarily going to correct here. So hopefully it can still be moving up quite significantly. And let me quickly check this real quickly. I have to do a checkup real quickly on this one. Yeah, everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. The trade is also looking good. So looking forward to it, of course. But yeah, let's see. Valcoin is right now seeing a breakdown of the symmetrical triangle, guys. Yes, there is a high likelihood that we're going to see a correction. But yeah, if we're seeing a breakdown, this will be pretty bearish. But I would never take this in a short, because if you're taking this in a short, you're trading against the trend, and it will be not will be not a good position to enter, in my opinion. So let's see what it will be doing. Let's wait for the coming hours. Let's stay on the sidelines to see the significance playing out. Maybe we're still going to create a wick on the lower side, but definitely feel very excited. So Bitcoin falling off quite significantly. There's also the reason why we are seeing the altcoins also fall a little bit here. So I'm keeping my eye out on my trade here, of course. Always very important to monitor my trades because currently, we're already 5% profit, so it's absolutely looking good here. So the trade is doing already good here. I like to open trades live in the stream, guys, and especially once you're getting such a good opportunity with coins like Algorand. So I think Algorand is definitely a coin that you want to get exposed to. And definitely a coin that's also looking very good here. So $1.45 is our entry target, and already sitting right at $1.47, approximately 5% profit right now. But yeah, we will be looking to write this one way higher. 5% profit is not a thing that is making me happy yet, but definitely a good start of the trade already. So let me see if we are having. I see a lot of people are talking that they joined the Algorand trade. So very cool, very nice that everyone is joining here. Keep dumping, it's okay. So yeah, it's definitely lovely. Price entry chain deck. So guys, for everyone who entered the Algorand trade, is absolutely amazing. But right now, I will be looking, of course, we entered this one. We entered the Algorand trade, but right now, I want to be looking for a Chainlink trade. Because maybe I'm going to close my Bitcoin trade on this account anytime soon here. Right now, 10K profit. Sometimes you have to be happy with your profits. Securing in, locking in some profits, always a good thing to do. What's your target for Algo? The target will be, I think it's more kind of a swing trade position, so I don't really have necessarily a good target. But the previous all-time high will already be a big take profit target. But I definitely think we're going to reach it anytime soon here. But I will be going into the charts in Algorand in a second to just convince you a little bit more why I do think it will be going to all-time highs anytime soon here. But also, guys, the thing, if you're new to the channel, because today, yeah, we are growing very quickly on the channel, 32.1K. For everyone who's just tuned into the channel, for everyone who's new here, the thing that we are always doing here on the channel is trying to educate you guys. We're trying to help you guys. We're not giving any signals or so, because the reason why is I don't think that you're really going to become a better trader if I'm only going to give signals. I'm going to, guys, trying to help you guys doing live trades and give my arguments why I'm taking these trades, because that will be, of course, very important. So let's see what we're going to do. And also a thing that I like to do is swing trading for everyone who's new here. So Needy, I think also swing trading is also a very good strategy here in the cryptocurrency space in general. But let me look at Bitcoin and let me look at the request of Needy. So Needy is asking me, went into Ethereum at 2270 with a forex leverage. What to do right now? So yeah, I mean, yeah, you're already crushing it right now with your forex leverage. But yeah, of course, it's dropping off right now. It looks like Bitcoin is also dropping off, but it's right now maybe shaking out the weekends. I do think, yeah, correction is probably imminent here anytime soon. I don't think that we're necessarily going to go for a moonshot to the upside yet. But yeah, for the coming week, in general, for the coming 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I do think Bitcoin is heading towards the 70/80K. So yes, it can go up pretty significantly, and it can go up very quickly as well here. So yeah, what do I expect right now? There will be a high likelihood that Bitcoin is, of course, maybe reversing first before really going for a blast off to the upside. So there can be a high probability that we're going to see a correction for Bitcoin playing out. And after that, moving to the upside, because usually what Bitcoin is doing is retesting the previous all-time high, and we haven't seen the retest yet from the previous all-time high. And of course, that will be, of course, definitely, guys, if you are not in a Bitcoin position, that will be definitely your opportunity that you're going to do. And by the way, I'm quickly going to show it also live in the stream here. I'm going to take some profits on my Bitcoin trade. I was about to take some profits around the 65K here, but we'll be taking some profits around the 63.7K to just lock in some profits here, because I do expect that Bitcoin maybe can see a minor drop-off coming in here, because I do believe usually what Bitcoin does here is once breaking through the all-time high, you usually see a retest of the all-time high coming in here before moving higher. So what my strategy will be here is maybe take some profits over here and enter these profits over here once again back into the trade, so I can average in better, and of course build up a bigger position to make bigger gains as well. So this will definitely will be your entry target, the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. If you're really looking forward to trade some Bitcoin as well, guys, we can be trading Bitcoin altogether on the channel as well. If you want me to take a Bitcoin trade, if you haven't already, I mean, I'm already in 4 positions on Bitcoin, but of course, I'm willing to expose and willing to expand my positions on Bitcoin as well here, and I want to do it also altogether live in the stream. That will be, of course, absolutely insane. And I see the Coinbase IPO, of course, I can be looking at that in a second as well. Still 4 more hours before it's getting launched. So yeah, of course, it's getting launched on the Nasdaq. So I think it will be $600 if I say it correctly. I can be looking into it in a second, but absolutely sick. That stock is already 3x. So very cool to see. Because first they were anticipating a $200 stock worth, but it's been way higher, so very excited to see. But yeah, for Bitcoin, the real, we are dropping up quite significantly right now. But guys, for Bitcoin, please don't freak out here. If we are going to see a move to the downside getting created, please make sure to already set up your limit or it's around the 61.7k here. I think there can be a very likely likely scenario playing out that we're going to see a very stealth correction and then create a big wick to the lower side, because yeah, once retesting the previous all-time high is definitely your target that you want to get entered on Bitcoin. So do feel very excited about it. Do want to be really seeing it, to be honest, because if we're going to go towards the previous all-time high, guys, this will be providing us very good opportunities to accumulate bigger and bigger positions on our altcoins, on our Bitcoins. Because yes, if Bitcoin is going to go falling over here, it's definitely going to drag the market along with it. But in the end of the day, and this fall, if we're going to fall here to the downside, it's basically only falling because we want to be shaking out the weekends. And that is what I already told you guys early on to the stream, guys. Do you want to be a weekend or do you want to be having strong hands? I have strong hands. I will be not freaking out here. I will be adding more to one position. I will be only enjoying these drop-offs, guys. I will be only enjoying them because I always love opportunities in the market. And in the end of the day, guys, I am here to make gains here. And that's the reason why I'm trying to add more to one position once having a retest of the previous all-time high. So definitely don't freak out. Don't freak out. So get wrecked losers. Yeah, definitely. We're going to wreck all the losers. We're going to wreck all the weekends. We're going to, I mean, probably a lot of new people here in the channel, because I do think a lot of new people are flowing into the cryptocurrency space in general. And I think if you're new to crypto, it's definitely worth watching the streams here, because you're learning a lot about TA, because we're doing a lot of TA on the channel. And I think TA is a very important thing to do, because if you're good at TA, you can spot some good entry targets. And if you can spot some good entry targets in general, you can be making very good gains, of course, because in the end of the day, you want to be entering low, you want to be selling high. And that's, of course, a thing that we are trying to do here on the channel. So that's what you say till Bitcoin drops to 20k. Bitcoin will be not dropping to 20k, my friend. I'm sorry for you. I know we're going to wreck the bears. I'm sorry. Rolf, I'm here to make gains as well here. We're crushing the market. And Fabian, you're completely right. What is the best coin to get into right now? I mean, I have so many coins that I can get you into, man. I mean, also on TikTok, I was talking here about UDEP, etc. Let me see. Let me do a quick refresh here. 7.5k of followers over here. Let me also do a refresh over here. But yeah, what is a good coin to get into? And big shout out for everyone who is right now following me on Instagram. Guys, let's see if we can reach the 2,500 followers on Instagram. Would be, of course, very amazing. Would be very cool if you can do so, because I'm always posting some things on my story as well here. So if you want to be staying up to date about the channel, make sure to follow @CryptoRoverYT here on Instagram. Would be absolutely insane. Can we reach the 2,500 followers over here? Only 30 more followers. I definitely think we can do it live in the stream. Guys, @CryptoRoverYT. Follow me on Instagram. I'm also, for everyone who's new to the channel, I'm also going to move to Dubai for approximately a month or so at the 12th of May. So looking forward to that as well. Going to make very good content over there. Going to make better and better content, working with some other YouTubers as well. So definitely worth to follow me as well on Instagram if you're interested in my private life. But I will be checking this one in a second. Can we reach the 2,500 followers? Also, already 2 new followers. So big shout out to everyone who's right and following me over here. I see Jihid, Jomi also follow me. Everyone, big shout out to you who is right and following me. Let's see if we can reach the 2,500 followers. I will be checking it in a second. Will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. But yeah, let's talk the charts, because in the end of the day, we are here to make. We are here. In the end of the day, we are here to talk about the chart. We are here to talk about the chart. So let me see. Oh yeah, you guys are all following me on Instagram. I see it already coming in here. I see a lot of notifications coming in, as you can see here already. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone who's running and following me. So 88 to $10, definitely to 10. I mean, $5 is my target for the coming bull run. $5 is my target for ADA in the coming bull run. Let me know what your targets are for ADA. Let me know in the chat right away. What are your targets for ADA to take some profits? And guys, you can see ADA creating a big wick on the low side here, and it was correcting pretty significantly to the downside. But yeah, that's the reason why you want to be careful. But I do think there's a very very good likely scenario that ADA is probably going to create a big wick on the lower side and then move higher once again. So that's, of course, very exciting. I mean, ADA is usually doing this. ADA is also known for big pumps to the upside and after that a big correction. So that's the reason why you want to get careful with this. But yeah, let me know what you think where ADA is heading towards. I definitely think we can be heading quite fast to the upside. I think we can be heading quite fast to the upside. So yeah, let's see. But if we're going to rate a wick on the lower side, this is a perfect retest, and we're definitely heading towards the $2. So hopefully these next 2 hours and 20 minutes will be good for the price section of ADA. $4 US. I see all requests. I see all people doing their prediction right now in the chat. ADA $5. I mean, my prediction for ADA in this coming bull cycle is $5. I think it's a very realistic prediction and also a very conservative one, and a one that we are probably definitely going to reach. We're definitely going to reach the $5 in my opinion. But I mean, everything above the $5 is of course good. For me, I will be taking partial profits at $5, a very good profits. Let's say more than 50% already. But everything once we're going higher, every dollar I will be averaging out more and more, because dollar cost averaging out of a market is also as important as dollar cost averaging in a market, because exiting is another thing. Exiting is also very hard. It's not a thing that you can just do in. I mean, yeah, getting a good entry is one thing, but getting out of the market is also another thing. It's very hard to do get a good exit of the market. So, of course, also a thing that we'll be discussing multiple times here on the channel, especially once the market is really seeing a reversal. We are not seeing a reversal yet here. We're not at the end of the bull run. Guys, look at the phase where we are right now in here. We're at the exponential growth period. I definitely love it. I definitely love it. We can see huge corrections, and after that, a huge pump once again to the upside. So, definitely good. I see $8 and $10. I think... check out my super chat. Wait, did you send me a super chat? Did I miss a super chat? I don't know. Let me check it real quickly. I don't see the recent super chat was from Needy. I don't see a super chat coming in, bro. So let me. I can always see the super chats over here, but currently it's not giving me any signs that. But yeah, let me know what you're asking me. If I miss a super chat, I'm truly sorry, bro. But I always try to read them. Always try to read them. So let me know which coin you want me to check here in the chat. Let me know real quickly. Bitly, ADA is going to $8 if Bitcoin goes over 100k. I mean, yeah, then Bitcoin is definitely going above the 100k. Bitcoin is definitely going above the 100k in my opinion. It's just starting off, guys. Just if you look to this, look at the growth curve, guys. I mean, I'm not saying that Bitcoin is going to 300k. Maybe if we're going to pick the top side of the cycle, maybe we can do so, but I don't think it's very likely. As you can see, also over here we got rejected, and ooh. It's a little bit laggy, but you can see over here. I don't think that we're necessarily going to go above the 150. I don't think that we're going to go above 150k in this cycle. But this cycle is definitely for me 110k, 100/110k is definitely my target for the bull run. To take very good profits, of course. Never ever that I'm going to sell all my Bitcoin. Of course, the most amount of Bitcoin I'm just going to gain interest on. Yeah, you can gain interest on Blockify, you can gain interest on UDAP, etc. Forge wherever you want. So yeah, if you want to gain also some interest on Blockify, you can find the link in the description. Would be of course very cool if you're doing so, because you're supporting the channel. And of course, I do think it's a very good thing here, because why if you're holding Bitcoin, let's say you're holding Bitcoin, why should you not just gain interest on your Bitcoin? Because just like you're holding money on your bank account, I mean, why should you hold money on your bank account? First of all, I don't get it. But if imagine if you're holding money on your bank account, you want to gain interest on it, right? And at the regular banking system, let's say you get 0.7% or even less percent interest, but you're getting not a lot of interest. But with Blockify, you can get 8% interest on your Bitcoin, 6% on your Ethereum, and of course, it's very exciting. If you want to be signing up, you can do it there. Link in the description will be amazing. So. Let me see. I see a lot of requests coming in here. I see Cryptical Science. Also, the blue logo here, guys. A lot of you guys are having a blue logo. And, ooh. Yeah, I got filled with my Bitcoin. I took some profits on Bitcoin. So, guys, I heard just the sound. So, I took some profits on Bitcoin. A minor bit of profits. So, maybe there's still a probability that we're going to go lower. And then I just secured in some minor bit of profits. So, looking forward to see where this is heading towards. Hopefully, I can get some more profits anytime soon here. So, I don't know for how long I will be keeping this trade open. Because maybe I'm getting out on this trade because I have multiple trades on different accounts open as well. So let's see what it will be doing. I mean, yeah, this account is already doing good here. I make approximately for 4k already, 50k right now. So let's see how far we can go to the upside. Definitely exciting. Definitely exciting. But yeah, is Harmony Cryptical Science? Thank you for being another month member of the channel. You're saying, is Harmony 1 reversing to the downsides right now? So let me check Harmony 1. I mean, we haven't discussed Harmony 1 yet here, and I think Harmony 1 is of course definitely a very exciting chart to talk about, and it's definitely a good thing to see as well. So. We'll be extending these lines real quickly, and we were talking about Harmony 1 that we have to break above this this line here, because we're currently in a descending broadening wedge here. Of course, very usually once we're breaking the top side of this resist line, we are seeing a reversal in the chart playing out. So what we are currently having, as you can see over here, a downward sloping resist line getting formed, and you were getting it rejected multiple times. And since you're breaking above it, you're right now finding support at the previous resistance line. So do I feel excited right now? Yes, I do think so. Do I think we're going to see a reversal? Yes, I do think so as well. So my expectation is probably a move to the upside getting created, maybe towards the 20 cents, maybe towards the 22 cents here. So hopefully we can see volatile getting created, but I definitely think, yeah, we are right now reversing the trend. It looks to be that we are doing so because we're also sending higher lows at the moment, but yeah. We did not took out the previous high yet. Already having the retest. Do want to be seeing a bounce to the upside getting created because if we're really going to re-enter this channel, yeah, I will be flipping extremely bearish once again. But yeah, like I told you before, it was getting pretty overextended, and it's definitely due to have some consolidation. It's due to have some consolidation, so please never rush into anything. I think, yeah, buying into Harmony 1 right now is definitely good because you're buying into consolidation, and I like to buy into consolidation, but I don't think the consolidation period is over. I do think it's likely to see, maybe for the coming 30 days or so, another good consolidation period for Harmony 1. Maybe a move to the upside, to the downside, but it will be not moving quite significant either direction. So, Elon Musk tweeted. Elon tweeted. Okay, guys, I missed something. Let me go to Twitter. Let me go to Elon. Did he tweet anything? Oh, did he tweet about Bitcoin? Oh, Doge. Oh, what cute. What cute. Let me go to the Dogecoin. Price chart. Guys, will we be seeing a reversal? We'll be seeing a reversal. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. He just tweeted 2 minutes ago. I mean, he loves it. He loves it. He loves it. He loves it. Are we going to see more volatility in Dogecoin? Are we going to see more volatility in Dogecoin? I see everyone talking about Elon tweeted. Yeah, I already saw it, but there's a little bit of a delay in the channel, guys. There's a little bit of a delay, but thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know, of course. But are we going to see volatility getting created? Will be amazing. Will be amazing. Only 12k likes right now, so definitely more people are yet to see it. But yeah, we're not seeing insane volatility getting created. Of course, it's already pretty overextended, right? So why should so many people buy into it? But Elon, of course, always helping the Dogecoin community. I mean, these Doge dogs are so nice. Only they're very hard to handle. But yeah, definitely cool. Elon boosting the market once again, guys. It's definitely why I like Elon. But yeah, let's see what Dogecoin will be doing. Can it see another push to the upside? Would be amazing. Rover, at what place are you most interested to get your Bitcoins? I mean, of course, the most interesting place is to buy very cheap Bitcoin under the 10k. But yeah, we're never going to see a Bitcoin under the 20k anymore. So it really depends. It really depends. I mean, if you're not exposed to Bitcoin, it really depends on your situation. It really depends on your situation where I should be buying Bitcoin. I mean, I'm already huge enough exposed to Bitcoin, and of course, I'm trying to get more Bitcoins every single day with accumulating good altcoin projects. And also, if I look at the Bitcoin chart, I think, yeah, we are seeing maybe some kind of a reversal right now playing out here. Maybe the previous resistance will be flipping into support, so this is definitely an exciting chart. If I look at this chart, to be honest, you can see here, previous resistance will most likely flip into very strong support. So maybe this can be showing us significance as well, but when should I really buy Bitcoin? When should I really buy Bitcoin? I mean, if you're not exposed yet, I should definitely buy it over here. I see no reason, if you're not exposed yet, to buy Bitcoin around 63k. Because the point here is, if you're going to buy Bitcoin with a long-term vision, if you're going to buy Bitcoin right now and you're going to sit, let's say you're 20 or let's say you're 30 years old or even 40 or 50. Let's say you're 50 years old and you want to create, if you're 50 years old and you want to be having an no financial problems once you are stopping with working, etc. You definitely want to be buying your Bitcoin, because that can, if you're holding your Bitcoin for 10 years, you can be becoming financial independent. So it's definitely worth it to buy it right now. Even though if you're buying Bitcoin around 63k or 50k, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for the long run. I think if you're not exposed to Bitcoin yet here, guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You have to get exposed to it right now, right away. So Ed also donating to the channel. Thank you for your €1. And once again, standing another €1. So thank you so much for Ed buying it once again, supporting the channel once again here. So thank you so much. But yeah, Sherry also saying here, buy for the long term. It's definitely here. It really depends on your vision on the market. But my vision has always been here for Bitcoin over the long term. The end goal for me is accumulating the most amount of Bitcoin. That's my end goal, and I think it has to be the end goal of everyone. And of course, there's some very good projects that I'm also exposed to and definitely going to sit on as well. But yeah, let's see what it is going to do. Let's see what it's going to do. But look at this, guys. The reason why I'm buying Crypto.com coin as well here is, look at this. It's everywhere getting sponsored by Crypto.com. It's Crypto.com, and of course, Binance Coin is by Binance. But everything is sponsored by Crypto.com, Blockchain.com over here. I mean, Crypto.com is a huge sponsor, a huge marketing team. They're investing a lot of money. I definitely think it's worth to get on board with their coin because it will be probably giving you very good returns in the long term. And there are some coins that I'm holding for the long term. Oh, not only Bitcoin. Of course, I'm holding Ethereum for the long run. I'm holding some Cardano for the long run. I'm holding some BNB for the long run. Guys, I feel very excited once I'm thinking about the long term. And especially, guys, we are on the channel. We are just looking around the corner with the channel. But guys, I will be feeling very excited. Where we will be sitting here in, let's say, the coming years or so. Are we going to see a bear market? I mean, the real question here is: are we going to see a bear market? Are we really going to see a bear market? Yes, of course. I do think the cycle will be repeating itself. I do think so. But do I think it will be different? Yes, I do think this bear market won't be a 90% correction for the altcoins. I don't think that this bear, of course, for some altcoins it will, but I don't think it will be 80% correction for Bitcoin. No, I don't think so. I think it will be less and less big of a correction because there's so many institutional interests. We have never seen this institutional interest coming in for Bitcoin. So many institutions. Walmart, of course, are rumors going around that they're buying for $1 billion, that they're buying 60k Bitcoin. Absolutely insane here, guys. Are going so much rumors, and such a big amounts of companies are willing to step into Bitcoin. And there's my reason to believe, yeah, this can be maybe be a little bit different. And of course, we can't see a 63k Bitcoin if there is not institutional interest. So very exciting what we are having. And of course, the market sitting around $2.2 trillion guys. It's absolutely insane how much money is circulating right now in this market. We're absolutely going to crush it. 1.2 trillion, almost $1.2 trillion in Bitcoin. And it's absolutely cool to see. In Musk we trust. That's a very nice one. In Musk we trust, definitely. In Musk we trust. That's a very nice one. So put your seatbelts on, guys. Yeah, make sure to do so. Make sure to put your seatbelts on because you don't want to be flying out of the rocket ship. You don't want to be getting loose of the rocket ship. So let me see if we reached our target here. Oh, we're only 6 followers away here. So 12 more new followers. Big shout out to everyone. Let's see if we can do it. I mean, I already have to adjust it because we currently have 32k subscribers. We're going so fast, guys. I can't believe it. Buy $100 buy $100 in Bitcoin and retire in 2023. So I mean, $100. I don't think it's enough to retire in 2030. I mean, I don't think it's enough to retire. But definitely, it is. Well, you're already making a big difference with only $100 exposed in Bitcoin, and if you're going to sit on it for such a long period of time, guys, it is being proven itself already. A retrospect is inevitable, guys. We are seeing the market in general, the economic system is just becoming more and more developed, and yeah, cryptos will be definitely a part of it. So Lorenzo also donated to channel once again. And you're saying, Zilliqa, I got big news coming up here. Can you do TA for it, please? So let me go to the Zilliqa chart then for you, my friend. Of course, I can always do it, whatever you ask me. So thank you for support of the nation. But yeah, right away we'll be saying this, forming some kind of a downward slope. There's this line over here, upper sloping support line. This is right away a very easy chart to read here. You can see beautiful symmetrical triangle getting formed here. Only like this touch point over here, not. But this is definitely a good chart to look at here. Symmetrical triangle getting formed here. 3 touch points on the lower side, 2 touch points on the top side. It's definitely going to show us very, very insane volatility in my opinion. So does this chart look good? In my opinion, yes, it looks good. Does this give me an opportunity to accumulate a long position? Yes, it definitely does. It definitely does, and I definitely think it will be moving up quite significantly as well. So I do think if you're accumulating your position right here, you will be moving up. You're buying at support, and in the end of the day, you want to be buying the lows, selling the highs, and you're right now buying at support. Of course, there can be a likelihood that we're going to break down here. I don't see the price target getting reached here because, yeah, we're in a bull market, guys. We're extremely bullish in cryptocurrency, in the cryptocurrency space in general. So looking forward to see where it is heading towards, but I should not really think of getting out of the market right now. It's not a thing that I should be doing at the moment here, so it looks extremely bullish in my opinion. So let's see where it is heading towards. If we're going to see a breakout of the top side, let's see if we can see the volatility getting created as well towards $24 approximately. And if I get the price chart in front of me, and if I look to the breakout target, it will be pushing the price towards the 25.5 cents here. So absolutely exciting times, guys. Looking forward to see where it is heading towards. And hopefully we can be crushing for the previous all-time high anytime soon. But I definitely think so. Bullish consolidation, and I do think we can be seeing the volatility getting created anytime soon here. So also another support of the nation from 8A. 8A, very nice name. And you're saying, can you check EJLD, please, bro? And of course, I can always check it. I can always check EGLD for you, my friend. And of course, we were just early on as well talking about EGLD, and I do feel very excited about EGLD. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I do think we're currently having a retest of the previous all-time high, and because we're having a retest of the previous all-time high, it's just giving me the signal that we're probably going to go towards the $310, the next Fibonacci target. So I do feel very excited. And guys, after this one, I will be talking a little bit about Algorand because we opened our trade altogether earlier on in the stream, and I will be talking about it for a second. But yeah, what you can see here with the price section of EGLD, guys, I feel very excited. As you can see over here, we're just crushing through the all-time high, retesting it. It is just very basic DA, but it is really providing you the buying opportunity that we have been waiting for such a long period of time already. So do I think it's a good time to accumulate it right now? Yes, I definitely think so. And I also think, yeah, in general, we are having a very good, very good buying opportunity for EGLD over here, because I do think having consolidation for after such a long period of a run up. Sorry, I'm losing my voice maybe a little bit there. But yeah, after such a long period of consolidation, definitely looking extremely bullish. But then let me go into the price section of Algorand, because yes, I do think because we're retesting the previous all-time high, I do think we're heading towards the $310. So let's see what it's heading towards. It can get pretty overextended, so looking forward to it already. But let me flip it to the Algorand compared to, let me see. Let me flip it to this chart. Let me see. Algorand compared to USD. Perpetual contracts. So wait, I can also go to this side. Wait, let me flip this in front of me. So guys, we of course opened the trade here altogether earlier today. We opened this trade altogether, so definitely lovely to see that we are already crushing it, because currently, as you can see, my head is in front of it. Right now, 8% in profit, not a big profit yet here. But let me flip it to the Algorand chart. By the way, let me flip it to the Algorand chart. So we were discussing this. And earlier today we were discussing this, of course, and if you go to this chart over here, you can see over here, it's very beautiful what we can see currently, because we are having a very nice, I will be going into trading view, because I definitely think it will be showing us a little bit more significance. So if we go to the trading view chart, and you can see over here, a major resistance getting formed over here. A major resistance was pushing the price lower. It was providing us a lot of resistance, and we could not break above this level again here with the price section of Algorand. And of course, we accumulated this big position on Algorand, and that's also the reason why I definitely love it. I love to accumulate big positions. And especially once the coin is maybe signifying that we can be going towards new optimized anytime soon here. So, yeah, what you currently can see with the price section of Algorand, and let me correct this. I did something wrong, unfortunately. But yeah, what you can see with the price section of Algorand here is that you, of course, you couldn't break through this level. And you can see also over here, we had struggles over here, but right now over here we have a lot of struggles with breaking through this level. But right now, yes, we are breaking through this level. And what you can also see over here is that we are having a perfect retest of this previous resistance, flipping into support for multiple times already. And guys, just like we're seeing with EGLD, it is looking particularly bullish, and because we are consolidating for quite a while. And right now we're starting a new uptrend. We are taking out previous highs. We're taking out we are setting higher lows as well. And I mean, you can't see the significance as well in the Fibonacci chart. So you're looking at the extension levels, and you can see the 0.618 was providing a lot of resistance over here, and right now it is providing a support. So that was the main reason why we were buying into Algorand over here on that level. And also the main reason why I do think that we can create more volatility to the upside. So what are my targets? I do think that we're heading towards the all-time high very quick. I do think in the coming 2 or 3 days we can already see an all-time high getting created for Algorand. I definitely think we can be seeing the volatility getting created pretty quickly. So if we're of course cruising for the all-time high, the next target will be $2.48, and that's approximately a move of 70%. So that's the reason why I don't want to miss this out here. I do feel very excited about it. I think the altcoins will definitely be following Bitcoin, and of course altcoins that will be following pretty significantly are altcoins that already consolidate for quite a while, because they are right now having the run up. They have the momentum with them, and also if you just purely look at the MACD here, guys, if you look at the MACD as well, you can see on the daily candles, I will be right away flipping onto this. It is absolutely bullish. And MACD having bullish crossover already over here. Momentum is basically to the upside. I think it's definitely worth it to get exposed here. And it is, I'm just getting very excited once looking at the chart, guys. Very excited. Can't wait to see where it is heading towards. And that's the thing that I want to be saying here real quickly once again, guys. Yeah, it's just an opportunity that I just want to be embracing. It's an opportunity that I will be embracing, and of course that is the reason why we're trying to write this to new optimize. So also the main reason why we entered this. So I mean, yeah, there's still likelihood that we're going to see another correction, or maybe another few days trading about these levels before really blasting off here. So if you want to join us with this trade, yeah, you can still accumulate your position around to $1.45 and 45 cents here. So I'm trading this one on Femex. You can definitely sign up as well here if you are doing it in the you can be signing up with Femex in the description. Would be amazing because you're getting $680 in bonus. So let's see what we're going to do. I can't hear anything. Just me. No, I don't think it's only you. I don't think it's only you. I don't think anything is wrong with stream currently. I can't expect anything to be wrong here. So Bitcoin bouncing up to the upside once again. So let's see what it will be doing. 2 more minutes before closing this 1 hourly candle, guys. Let me take a quick sip of my water. In the meantime, if you haven't already, we're currently 13 subscribers away from the 32.2k. It would be amazing if we can reach it right now. We're absolutely crushing it today on the channel. Moving higher, breaking all levels of resistance in the subscriber count, guys. People are... I was joining the Discord also yesterday, and people were saying to me, Rover, you have to do a special TA video about your subscription count, but no, I will be not doing it. But yeah, we are absolutely crushing through Optimize, guys. How do you know how much profit you made? When are you selling your portion? Do you keep a track of your portfolio? Yes, of course. Of course, it's very important. In my opinion, it's very important to always, once you're buying something, to write it down, make a sheet about it, see how much profit you make, see how much initial you put in, and so yeah, make sure to do so. Make sure to do so because you want to be having a very clear overview about what you're buying, how much profit you're making, when you're taking an issue out. So it's very important to write everything down, at which price, at which moment. So make sure to make a good overview for yourself because that's the thing that you have to do for yourself. I can't help you with that, unfortunately. When XRP $3, give it. We are already going up so quickly. So when it will be $3? I mean, yeah, I expect it 3 weeks. So since the point of breakout, let me flip it to the daily. Since point of breakout, if we're measuring as a 22 days approximately, 22 days. So it's maybe a little bit longer than a week, but 22 days, if I see it correctly. We are currently in for, let me draw it. We are currently in for 9 days, so it can be maybe taking another 12 or 13 days, 2 weeks approximately. It will be here very fast in my opinion, but give it some time. So Nahem asking me, lost $200 on ADA, any new swing entries on us? And yeah, we were, Nahem, if you were watching the stream here, we were accumulating a position on the price section of Algorand. We were doing this all together on the stream. So this was a trade that we entered all together. Look at this perfect entry here, already creating. Look at that, guys. We're absolutely nailing it. Look at this entry price. Look at this entry price. We're entering over here. We're entering at the low and right away flipping it into profit. So of course you can use more leverage if you want to, but I'm only using a 5x leverage because I'm taking it safe. Of course, already set up an extra buy order to average in on a bigger, nice and better price. But yeah, you can see already 8% in profit. So it's already a 1.8% in profit. So yeah, doing it very good. So I think, yeah, Algorand is definitely an asset you can be trading here. I think it's a very good one to get exposed to. So that's also the reason why we are doing this all together on the channel. And this is also the reason why we did take this trade all live together. So yeah, for everyone who's ready to taking this one, you're absolutely crushing it. You're absolutely crushing it. And let's see what we're going to do. Looking forward to see what we're all going to do all together here, of course. Because in the end of the day, we want to be gaining all together, guys. So that's the reason why we are accumulating our positions as well here all together. So looking forward to it. Let me flip onto the chart once again. So yeah, XRP. Oh, XRP dropping off quite. Oh, look at this. Look at XRP. Look at XRP, guys. Look at this. You were witnessing this, right? You were seeing this. ADA of XRP moving up and down, up and down, up and down. And right now you're seeing some. I mean, is it Bitcoin that's falling off? No, Bitcoin is not really falling off that significantly. You can see, yeah, Bitcoin, of course, opening a new 1 hourly candle, guys. Let's see what we'll be doing here. I mean, I would not be surprised if we're seeing a retest of the previous auto mine. If we're going to see a retest of the previous auto mine, this will definitely give us a very good buying opportunity. Losing money in the bull run, you must be a bear. That's completely true. Okay, I mean, it's almost impossible to do so. It's almost impossible to lose money in the bull run. It's almost impossible. And if it is possible for you, you're truly doing something amazing. Hey brother, I think I missed this part, but what is your price target for Doge? Hey Mer, I don't really have a price target, to be honest. I don't really have a price target for Doge. Doge is a coin that I'm just sitting on. I'm not going to trade Doge. I'm not going to do anything special with Doge. I'm just going to sit on it. I don't have a specific target for Dogecoin. No, sorry. It's just more coin that you have to buy for a coin flip. I will be not trading it or so because yes, it can be pumping very quickly, but it can also dump very quickly. But guys, thank you so much. Reaching the 32.2k here. Amazing target that we are reaching once again on channel. Amazing targets. We're reaching every single day new targets here on channel. Absolutely grateful to see. Absolutely grateful to see. Of course, love it always. Like I mean, I'm always loving it with you guys. Spending my time over here on the channel. It's one of the best things I can do. It's literally one of the best things I can do. And let me see if I can correctly find this one. Contract trade. Let me see. Algorand. Yeah, Algorand is doing pretty good. I mean, I will be not looking at. Of course, I will be monitoring this trade, but I mean, I expect a big follow through getting created. It's not just in a matter of a few hours for the Algorand trade, but it can be taking quite a while before we're seeing the follow through getting created. What app is that? This is TradingView. This is TradingView, and it's completely free, so you can check it out. Look at BNB right now. So let me check BNB. Let me check BNB, guys. Almost live already for 4 hours, for 3 hours. I mean, guys, almost live for 3 hours already. So absolutely insane. So for the BNB price section, we're forming symmetrical triangle. And guys, like I told you before, on the 1 hour, definitely want to see correction. So also finding support at the lower side, perfect support. So. Are we going to see a breakout of a symmetrical triangle, and are we going to see the follow through getting created? Yes, once seeing a breakout is definitely going to see the follow through getting created. It's definitely going to see the follow through getting created. So definitely worth to check it out, in my opinion. Looking forward to see where it is heading towards. Are they safe? Yeah, I mean, what are you talking about? Well, which coin are you talking about? What do you think about ledgers? I think it's good. I mean, some people are hating on ledger, and that are. I mean, I don't think ledgers are bad. Ledgers are very good. I own a lot of ledgers. I have multiple ledgers, one for my long-term portfolio and one for my short-term portfolio, because I think it's nice to switch these things up. And of course, maybe something can break. You never know. But that's the reason why having two of them, just diversifying portfolio, etc. And of course, managing risk is always about risk management. Also in just purely in life. I mean, because I'm a trader, I think I also learn a lot of things just in my basic life, because it's always talking about risk management and you're approaching things differently. So it's very very lovely to see, of course. And sometimes I get scooped up by all these charts, of course, in my head. So someone is saying Super Chat Matic. So did I miss Matic? Let me go into Matic in a second, Dean Harvey. But first, crushing it as always. What is your opinion on Mana? Let me go to Decentraland. After that, we'll be going into Matic. Did I really miss the super chat? That's pretty unfortunate. Guys, I don't like to miss super chats. I don't like it. So, already to Matic, already looking to Decentraland for quite a while. And you can see over here, a lot of significance is getting showed right now. You can see the lower side is acting as support, top side is acting as resistance. You're basically trading between the two levels. So, what does this, how can you call this, what we are currently stating? This is consolidation. So consolidation after a huge run up, very likely to play out here. So what is Mana going to do? You're creating bearish divergence on the top side. So yeah, the buying strength is losing, but we're setting the same high. So I mean, yes, of course, because Bitcoin is moving up, Mana is also moving up quite significantly. But let's see what it will be doing here. Don't feel necessarily bearish on it. Don't feel necessarily bearish on it, but let's see where it is heading towards. Definitely feel very excited about it. But yeah, we first have to see a breakthrough of the top side before flipping extremely bullish. And before we're going to break through the top side of the resistance level, guys. You can be looking for an accumulation zone for your long position, so definitely feel very excited about it. And in the meantime, Bitcoin is moving up to 64k once again, so let's see where it is heading towards in the coming hours. But Mana Decentraland has to really break through with the 4 hourly candles above this resist line. If we're going to do so, we will be moving back to the upside. So you want to be entering Mana once having a retest of this top side of resistance. For now on, I should be staying on the sideline. So apparently I missed Matic Network. That's of course not a thing that I would like to do because I love this project. Definitely love to discuss this one. Can you check Mana? I was just discussing one. Every time in this chat, every time I'm in this chat, super chats are missed. I mean, usually I never miss them. But guys, today we had 1,800 viewers. I mean, it was absolutely insane. Right now, of course, we're cooling off once again. And getting some rest back into the channel. We're just, I'm always trying to discuss the most amount of them, of course. I mean, sometimes I just can't, so that's my bad. But yeah, let's discuss Matic here. And thank you, Dean Harvey, for reminding me. Of course, every single one who is reminding me if I missed something. Thank you so much. Guys, you're absolutely crushing it, of course. So you can see Matic Network forming a descending triangle, break to the upside. Price target is, of course, way higher where we are currently sitting at. Price target is sitting around the approximately 55 cents area. As you can see, downward sloping resist line, having multiple levels of rejections. But yeah, since you're seeing the breakthrough playing out over here, you can see, of course, a very nice follow-through getting created. So I do think we are heading towards the price target. It is just showing the follow-through. So does it look good? Yes, it definitely does look good here. Can we go higher? Yeah, we can go way higher. We consolidated for quite a while after parabolic run-up. Bitcoin going higher definitely will be following this one as well. Matic will be definitely following. Do feel very excited about Matic. Good afternoon, my big friend from Amsterdam. The bakery, thank you. Thank you for tuning in from Amsterdam. Always lovely to hear. And see a big thumb up from Dean Harvey. Very nice to see. Thanks for XRP. No problem. No problem. XRP was... I'm not the best call on the channel yet. It was a good call, but I would definitely love it to make that call. And the timing of the XRP call was also very lovely. But yeah, Matic, what we are currently seeing, yeah, this looks particularly good here. Breakout of the descending triangle, break it to the upside. Nothing bad to see on this chart. Only good things, and only good things are coming as well here. Because, yeah, we're just broke out here. Let me look at the volume real quick. The volume is probably also increasing. Yeah, you can see here, downward sloping volume in the chart. Once breaking out, volume is increasing. It's looking particularly good. But yeah, guys, with that XRP call, we really crushed it. Right now, it's reversing a little bit here, but guys, don't freak out here. I will be still very bullish if we're going to see a correction to the $1.71. That's definitely, if you haven't already entered your position. If you still want to be trading XRP, you can still do so. And your entry target should be around the $1.71 here. And unfortunately, you can't trade XRP on Femex because it is suspended. So if you want to be trading XRP, make sure to sign up with the Bybit referral link here. If you are signing up with the link, you're also getting some very amazing bonuses. You can see what the bonuses are in the description. But yeah, if you're signing up with Bybit, you can be trading XRP over there, so it's definitely worth to do so, because I definitely think, yeah, XRP is still heading towards the $3, and that's still an insane surge to the upside. So approximately still a trading opportunity of 80% to the upside. So if you're willing to trade that one, you have to do it on Bybit. It's also a very good trading exchange, definitely. Yeah, but Bybit and Femex are the exchanges that I'm currently trading on. I think these are the best ones, and I will be sticking with these ones. And the reason why I'm trading with multiple exchanges is basically also risk management, guys. Always risk management. You can counter trade yourself, but I can already do this on Femex. But also, let's say, you never know what can happen in the world. You never know what can happen. Maybe something goes wrong here, and that's the reason why I'm always diversifying my portfolios, etc. So you can see XRP, $1.71 is definitely still enough that you can be doing it. But yeah, the timing for that we were calling it was, of course, exactly, if we're looking at the daily candles, we were exactly calling it over here once we're getting a rejection. It was exactly called over here. And we were telling everyone, I was only doing this live in the stream. I was telling this live in the stream that you have to get into XRP. I was telling this live in the stream, and some people got into it. I know Dean Harvey got into it. I know Shirley got into it. I know a lot of people got into XRP. And I see a lot of DMs on my Instagram. So on my Instagram, you can also send me a DM. I usually react to the DMs, of course. I like to see you guys asking me stuff, etc. But I got a lot of DMs, and people were saying, please, Rover, what is your XRP wallet? They want to send me XRP, but I never gave that. Please. I don't necessarily have to get something back from you. I just like it to see you guys really gaining a lot here. It was just a perfect timed call, of course. We were seeing the exact play, because I was saying to everyone, we're going to see a breakout anytime soon, and we're within the 2 weeks. But of course, it already happened 2 days later. So that is the reason why we were really, of course, crushing it. But yeah, definitely good to see this XRP trade for every single member here in the Discord server. For every single member here on the YouTube channel, we are absolutely crushing it with XRP. You sometimes have to flip your minds. If you're seeing a chart being so bullish, you definitely have to get on board of it. Coinbase employees will sell stock and most likely buy Bitcoin. Waits upwards volatility a long day until Nasdaq closes. So exciting day, of course, with Coinbase getting launched on Nasdaq. A very exciting day, just like always, guys. I like these days. Probably the Bitcoin dominance reversal. Let me see what Bitcoin dominance is doing right now. Bitcoin dominance, of course, still moving lower. It is not showing us a sign of a reversal yet here, guys. We're absolutely going for a plunge to the downside. It's not looking particularly good right now. XP has to retest the 60 cents, and that will be doing... I don't think so. 60 cents will... Of course, I do think we're going back to 60 cents. But I don't think that we're going to see it before we're reaching the $3. Doge is crazy. Is it still pumping? Yeah, Doge is really crazy, guys. I know it. Doge is absolutely crazy. We don't know what it is doing. It's absolutely, absolutely crazy. We know it all on the channel, guys. Dogecoin is absolutely insane. Are you going to enter a link trade? I definitely want to, guys. I definitely want to be entering a link trade. Link is also performing in this recent hour. Oh, guys, look at this. We were not even. We were of course already witnessing this. I was getting a little bit shocked. I was seeing something different. Yeah, you can see here previous Ultimate right now finding support on it. This 4-hourly candle was really providing you the opportunity for the trade, to be honest. But yeah, the link compared to Bitcoin valuation, we're not seeing the breakout yet here. But guys, what you want to be doing, if you want to make good gains, you want to be early with your trades, and you're accumulating your trade already very in a good time here. So once again, going to say it, you can be trading Chainlink on Bybit, you can be trading it on Femex, you can be signing up with a referral link in the description. But guys, I mean, this is if you missed the XRP call, guys, if you missed the XRP call, let me know who missed the XRP call on the channel, because yeah, we made of course approximately 300% gains already, 400%. But guys, if you missed the XRP call, you right now have another opportunity with Chainlink. You have an insane opportunity with Chainlink, and let's say I will be making a video about it later on today, because then I will be going exactly into depth why I think Chainlink will be going absolutely towards the $100 in a very, very rapid pace, guys. So make sure to keep an eye on the channel, because I will be making later today a special video about it, about Chainlink, because I don't want you guys to miss it. I don't want you guys to miss it. This, of course, also a very good trading opportunity. We'll be also giving a setup to you guys, but definitely, like I told you before, don't like to give setup, because I think you guys have to do your own research, etc. That is definitely worth to sign. Definitely worth to look at this this Chainlink trade that's coming up here. So Shanos is saying, is Ava good? Is AVE good to trade anytime soon here? Wait, let me check real quickly. I think, yes, AVE is definitely a good asset that you want to be trading. And the reason why I'm also in the AVE trade currently... Let me flip onto the AVE chart, guys. Let me flip it back to the AVE chart, and let's see what we're currently having here. Because, yes, AVE is definitely an asset that I do want to be trading here. You can see also symmetrical triangle getting formed right now. I am accumulating more and more bigger positions on AVE currently, because I do think, yeah, we're going to see insane volatility getting created anytime soon here. That's also the reason why I'm accumulating some big positions on AVE right now. Definitely think we're going to see yeah, a lot of movement to the upside getting created here. So very excited to see, of course, AVE trading in the symmetrical triangle, guys. When are we going to see a breakout? That will be very exciting. But I definitely think we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. But AVE is definitely a coin, just like Chainlink, etc., is going to give you very good returns. You can be still buying into AVE right now. You can be buy cheap AVE. You're buying against in a very bullish buy pattern as well. So, is AVE going to do anything exciting? Are you asking me? Definitely is AVE. But if you're, let's say, I'm also in a minor trade, in a swing trade position right now on AVE. But in the end of the day, what the big goal for me would be, if you're willing to trade AVE, I mean, yeah, you can be buying AVE to just sit on it. And I do think the previous all-time high is going to be reached very quickly. And guys, I just feel very excited with all these coins here. We're starting this new parabolic run up here, consolidated for quite a while here. It's definitely ready for another leg up here. That is the reason why I'm in my position of AVE. Make sure to keep an eye out on AVE, because it will be gaining a lot of valuation as well, guys. Point that we do want to be making here. You are having so much opportunities right now in the cryptocurrency space, and AVE is one of them. Once again, I mean, yeah, make sure to buy the good coins right now, and AVE is definitely one of them. Please do a general announcement on the Discord server if you do a link trade. So, Dean Harvey, definitely, I will be, guys. Do you want me to announce the trade of Link if I'm taking it? I will be then announcing it probably on my Twitter page. I will be announcing it on my Twitter page and on the Discord server. So if you haven't joined the Discord server, you can definitely do it right now. You can also be sharing your own thoughts with the other members in the Discord server. It's definitely worth to check it out. So go to the Discord server. Make sure to verify yourself if you want to get a part and on board of the channel as well. But guys, I will be also giving you an update once opening on Chainlink Trade on Twitter. So make sure to also follow me on Twitter already, heading towards the 5K followers. Absolutely cool here. We're doing some cool tweets as well here. But once doing my Chainlink Trade, we'll be keeping you guys up to date on my on the Twitter page. So make sure to follow me here as well. Will be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. It's Rover Crypto. If you're interested in trades, of course. If you're not interested in trades, you can also just do it in purely in a holding position. I think if you're buying Chainlink and going to sit on it for 2 or 3 months, you're also going to make very good gains here. But definitely exciting. Hopefully, it's not going to blast off already today, because it is looking extremely bullish in my opinion. This was, of course, our entry target already. This should have been already our entry target. So maybe I have to go get on board to Chainlink very quickly. So guys, I will be trading Chainlink also on Femex. So if you are willing to join it, you can already sign up here, because yeah, guys, there will be coming very exciting days and very exciting times. But right now, It was a very, very, very amazing stream, guys. But right now, I unfortunately have to wrap up the stream. And the reason why here is because I'm getting very, very hungry. And a thing that you can expect from me here is, we're already saying, because today I will be making an extra video about Chainlink. And in that video, I will be explaining every single thing what I will be doing in this trade. So if you're excited for a new streams, because tomorrow I will be back with a new video. Tomorrow we'll be back with a new stream here. And if you're interested in these kinds of streams, make sure to right away subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification, because guys, we are giving these updates always, and meantime, we're doing this live because I think it's very important to discuss these things live together. So if you aren't subscribed yet to the channel, make sure to do so right now. It's completely free here, and we're doing this every single day. So why should you not be subscribed? It's absolutely cool if you're doing so. We're having an amazing community here. If you haven't liked the video yet here, make sure to do it as well here, because that's also completely free. And also, yeah, like I told you before, we'll be keeping you guys up to date on the Twitter page. We'll be keeping you guys up to date on Discord, so make sure to follow the socials. And guys, I will be seeing you guys back later. Will you be back later? I mean, maybe today I will be doing another live stream. Maybe today, I can't say it yet. Maybe tonight. So let's say maybe in 6 hours or so, I can do another live stream. If you really want me to do so, maybe I can make some time for you to do another live stream. But otherwise, I will be making a quick update video. So Trustfire is asking me any more Litecoin giveaways. I mean, the next giveaway will be probably Ledgers or so. Ledgers or Crypto.com coins or Yield app coins. I don't know. I mean, I will be giving away some more coins, of course, guys. So, I mean, I will be doing another giveaway once reaching the 40K, I mean. And, yeah, it will be very amazing if you already subscribed to the channel. But, guys, I will be going out right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will be checking you guys later today in a new video or stream. Goodbye.